What's up, everyone? What's up, what's up? Still setting up the last few things, so you can all start submitting plugins on the Discord. I think, because currently, domains are still being blocked, so I need to quickly allow that channel. What's up, everyone? Yo. Early? A little bit. Like a minute. Early. How you doing it, man? What's up, everyone? Ashlan? Ashlan. What's up, Ashlan? How you doing today? Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Good to see you all on this beautiful day. I am currently... let's see. Moderation, yes. External link blocking, yes. Allowed channels, yes. Submit. There we go. Save this, otherwise every single link that you guys will send will automatically get blocked. Which kind of ruins the purpose of submitting anything. Yeah, okay. I think I set it up correctly. What's up, everyone? How we doing today? Welcome to the stream. I'm just gonna say it. We will hit 100k in under 2 weeks. If we keep going like this, we will hit that milestone in under 2 weeks, which is insane. Thank you guys so much for that. I very, very much appreciate that. Thank you so much for the incredible support. Anything could still change. It could take longer, but if it's actually gonna go... You know, if the channel keeps growing in the same pace, and I do have some banger videos planned, so, you know, you will get fun content in the upcoming days. Yeah, if it keeps growing the way it's growing now, we will hit this milestone. Like, a solid 2 weeks before this channel turns 5 years old, which means I will be doing a 12-hour live stream. That is gonna be something that's gonna be a completely new experience. I should say, I have never in my life streamed longer than 7 hours. 7 hours is currently my record. 12 hours is gonna be super exhausting, I think, but it should be fun. I did actually get a lot of questions like, why don't you do like a 24-hour live stream? Why 12? Why not 24? Why don't you stay up for a week, Kasai? Why don't you do that? The thing is, I'm not used to streaming for a long time. I'm not a streamer. I'm a YouTuber. I very casually stream 1 or twice per week. I'm not like a Ludwig or someone like that who's live 24/7. I'm not used... Why not a month? I'm not used to that. I'm simply not used to that. So a 12-hour live stream would already be stretching my capabilities a lot. Because like the biggest I've ever done on this channel, I think is like 4.5 hours. On my second channel, I've streamed for 7.5 hours once, which was when I was playing Portal 2. Other than that, yeah, no, so 12 hours is a lot. That's what I'm trying to say. Turbo Booster, what's up? Thank you so much for all your tutorials. I'm so glad they help out, man. I'm so glad they help out. Ash is your cat's name. Oh, that sounds so cute. Please join my Discord and share a picture of your cat. I would love it. I would love it so much. I love cats. If you couldn't tell by the member icon on YouTube and Twitch. Also, what's up, Twitch? Alex, how you doing there? Block Party Survival, Cheetah, Brawl. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Mr. Bobby as well. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. It's gonna be a very chill stream today. Basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be testing out Minecraft plugins. If I'm not gonna test them, I'm at least gonna look at them. So basically the way it's gonna work is you can send not a zip file or not a jar file on the Discord. What you can do is you can simply submit a link of like a plugin distribution website, basically. Like Spigot MC, Modrinf, CurseForge, Hanger is fine. Build by Bit, as long as the plugin is free, which is almost never the case on Build by Bit, but still, like, you can just submit any plugin that you want. You don't have to be the creator. It can just be a plugin that you like a lot and you think I don't know of its existence, or maybe you think that I would just like it for some reason, then you can send it over. Just send it in the channel on the Discord server. If you're not in the Discord yet, do make sure to join. We have a channel there. It's called Submit. People can currently not send anything in there. I will open it in a bit. Wait, what did you say, random chat? Please send the plugin that you want Kasai to check out in the Discord in the Submit channel. Yeah, exactly. That's what you should do. And be sure to include a link. And make sure that link doesn't go to any strange website, because I will not be clicking on it. No. Are we back? I think we're back. Yeah, we're back. Okay, internet problems. That happens. There have been internet in the problems for like the full day in the Netherlands today. So it might be because of that. I'm not sure. Are we good? Are you fine? Please, I'll send cat emojis in chat if you can currently hear this. And tell everyone that is still experiencing lag to reload their stream. I think we should be back. Yeah, we're back. What's up? Okay, cool. I was also kicked from the server. No clue what happened. I think I just had an outage for like 30 seconds and now it's resolved. Anyway, we're just gonna try to continue this on. We have internet problems also in Morocco. Yeah, we've had it all day in the Netherlands. I don't know what it is, but we've had internet issues. I thought they were all resolved though, so I assumed I could just stream, but apparently not without some crashes. Still, we're gonna continue on. Coding Cat, thank you so much, man. Thank you for the €2. Am I the only one who is having lag? Nope. Nope, internet was down for a bit, but I think we're good. I'm currently streaming. My OBS says that it's sitting around 6,000 kilobytes per second bandwidth, which is fine. That should be enough for 2 streams. So no, I think we're good again. Hello! I have returned. So yeah, the way we're gonna do it is I'm gonna open the Discord channel now. You can submit a plugin on Discord. Thank you for the 1 month. I appreciate it. Sup, man. Another off-brand Chipotle. I love your username. Thank you so much for the 1 month. I appreciate it. Yeah, so I'm gonna open a channel on my Discord. It is essentially at the top of my Discord server. At the bottom of like the top category, there's a channel called Submit. That one I'm gonna open in a little bit. And after that, you can just submit any plugin in there. It doesn't have to be your own. It can just be a plugin that you like. As long as it is on a certified, it's not really certified, a certified plugin platform, like a popular one that we know, you can just send a link. And please send a link. I will also not be downloading any crazy zip files or anything like that, or jar files. No, I will not be doing that. I'll just be clicking on links and downloading it from like their original source. So please, Modrim, Spigot, Polymart is fine as well if it is free. Hanger, links like that. Yeah, just send those and we're gonna check them out. I'm not gonna install every single plugin. I want to say that straight away. I'm not gonna install every single plugin. Because some plugins either take a very long time to set up. GitHub is fine, yeah. GitHub is fine, too. India Scam Center. Yes, India Scam Center. GitHub is fine. I totally trust you already. No, but... oh man, this is gonna be a great stream. So, yeah, I'll not be installing every single plugin if the plugin either takes a long time to set up, or if the plugin is so simple that it doesn't really require any installation to know what it does. Or maybe it is a plugin that is very cool and does cool things, but there's not really a way to test it during the stream. I will also not install it. For example, something like an anti-cheat, for example. Anti-cheats are really cool, and we could have a look at the Spigot page or the Modrave page, but there's no solid way to test an anti-cheat during a stream like this. I mean, I guess at the end of the stream, we could install an anti-cheat and then we could let people on from chat and then we could do it that way. So that's possible, but we will do that near the end then, if we want to test some anti-cheats. We could totally do that. Is the stream down? Reload. Somebody tell C to reload. Somebody tell C to reload his stream. We're here, C. Don't worry. We're here. Thank you, Hitman, for the 40 rupees, man. I appreciate it. Okay. Enough yapping for now. Or, well, enough yapping. I'm still gonna continue yapping, but I'm also gonna open up the channel so you guys can start submitting plugins. There is... I need to say this. There is a slow mode of 1 hour. So if you just spam a random word, you will need to make sure you can edit that message. And otherwise, you will not be able to send anything for like an hour. So do keep that in mind. Just send one message, one suggestion. If you have 2 plugins that you really want to submit, for some reason, just send them both in one message. There's nothing which keeps you from doing that. So yeah, I just wanted to yap that out there. And with that being said, also mods, everyone who's a mod on my Discord, on my mods, hello mods, mods. You guys can delete messages in the channel in case something happens. Okay, cool, let's go! Oh, a lot is coming in already. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Hitman, I forgot to type 12 months. It is crazy. 12 months is a lot. That is a lot. I don't have a lot of members on my channel that have been a member for longer than 12 months. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for the 40 rupees again. Very, very kind. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm also not gonna go over all the plugins in order. I'll just randomly be scrolling through them. I'm gonna see if there is a plugin that kind of catches my eye, and then I'll be downloading that one. It's just gonna be very casual, okay? I don't want to make a whole system out of it. We're just gonna play it chill today. So, then you guys know. 100k today? I don't think so. Thirsty. No, I don't think we're gonna hit 100k today. I definitely think we're not. We currently... Do you want to know how many subscribers exactly we still need? I can look it up. Let's see. We need exactly 1,509 subscribers. 1,509 subscribers is exactly how much we still need. So that's gonna be something. That's gonna be very. It's so close. It's so close. We are so close to hitting that milestone. Yeah, 1,509. And after that, we are officially at 100k. And 1,500, like, last month, we gained almost 4,500 subscribers in, like, a single month. So 1,500 should go pretty quickly, which is crazy. Hopefully you can make it back to Canada. How long will you be in China for? For how much longer will you be there? Do you think Fabric with performance mods is faster than Pufferfish? I don't really think those are very comparable. Fabric and pufferfish are two very different things. Pufferfish is... I mean, pufferfish is more plugin based. And... Right? Pufferfish is plugin based. And fabric is for mods. So they are very different. I don't think you can really compare them. That's like asking what is better, fabric or paper. I mean, they are both good in their own regards. There's no better because they are both for different use cases, basically. 100k special. Yes, we're gonna do specials. Pufferfish is a paper fork. Exactly. So it's not really a good comparison. I am gonna be doing a 100k special. I'll upload a video on the day we hit 100k. I'll just release something here on the channel, just, you know, to thank you all. Unfortunately, not a play button unboxing yet, because I can't do that on the day itself. Of course, it will take a few weeks before it actually arrives. So it will just be like a casual special. And then where I just, you know, say thank you. And then we will, somewhere in 2 to 3 weeks after the milestone, we will do a very big 12-hour live stream here on the channel. And we're gonna do a bunch of stuff during that live stream. One of my mods has already said that we're gonna give away a minimum of 10 Minecraft copies. So we're gonna give away a minimum of 10 Minecraft accounts during that single live stream. We also have a bunch of events, I think 4 or 5 events currently in the work for that live stream as well. All things that you guys can participate in. So we're actually working on a PvP tournament, and there's a kind of an escape room tournament, and we have a bunch of stuff in the works. So, like, it's gonna be a big live stream with a bunch of events, a bunch of giveaways. I will be joining some servers. Just a lot. There's a lot going on. So, that should be very, very cool. That should be a very, very fun stream. So even though 12 hours is a lot of time, I think it's gonna fly by. Just because we have so much to do, right? So, it should be very fun. Big combination of events and giveaways, lots of Minecraft. Maybe we'll also give away some Discord Nitro. I know people always go crazy for that. So yeah, that type of stuff. That's kind of what we're gonna do. That's kind of what we're gonna do. Random chat, thank you so much for the 1,000 Japanese yen. I appreciate it. Gonna try my best to come up with more stuff to give away or host during the 100k milestone celebration. I mean, let's just come up with as much as possible. That is what I would say. Let's come up with as much cool stuff as we can. And even if it doesn't all fit into the 12-hour live stream, we can just do like an event after where we will use everything that is currently being created. You have a lag in stream. I think we're actually good now. According to my OBS, we are good. Are we also good on like YouTube? Yeah, oh, we're very good. Hello everyone, make sure to like the stream. Also subscribe to the channel. We're so close. So close to 100k. It's crazy. Also, thank you for the raids. I did not see that. 11 minutes ago, we got raided. Pleasant? I'm gonna call you Pleasant. Thank you, Pleasant. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Sorry, I completely missed your raid. I was kinda working on trying to fix my stream. Okay. With that all being said, 4 out of 10, what shaders? Good question. No, wrong. Bliss. It's currently Bliss shaders. That's what I currently have active. We got a lot of suggestions already on the Discord. I'm not gonna share my Discord. I am gonna share my browser. And let's see what it's all about. So I'm gonna click on the first one. Can I simply copy the link? Okay, let me copy the link. And then we're gonna go to this browser. Gonna paste it in. Thank you so much, man, for the 1,000 Japanese yen. I really appreciate it. I really do. It helps out a lot. It does. Okay, there we go. And then I think we should be good to go. Okay, we're a mod Rimph. There we go. We're a mod Rimph. Look at that. So we're just gonna go over a bunch of plugins today. That's the goal. And if we feel like, okay, this is a cool one, we should test it. I will. Because I search history leaked. What? My search history leaked. Yeah, no, don't worry. So I was actually thinking about this. Like, okay, how can I stream without leaking anything? And I decided to just download another browser. So I'm currently streaming my Firefox, but I'm using Brave for all of my personal stuff. So you're currently looking at my Firefox, which is my dummy browser. I could use incognito. I decided to just go for Firefox. Firefox is great. I've always been on the edge of, should I use Firefox or should I use Brave? I use Firefox now for my daily use. So also my stream chat and all of that stuff is on on Brave currently. But I decided to use Firefox for this stream so that I can share that dedicated browser. I can move it around. Look, it looks really cursed. I can do all of that. Oh no, please go back. There we go. It's fixed. OBS. Yo, random chat. Thank you for the 22 months. That's crazy. 22 months on Twitch. That is insane. Can you make it tiny? Of course I can make it tiny. Is this what you want? Is this what you wanted? It'll be my head. There we go. Yeah, so today we're checking out this Minecraft plugin. It's very, very cool. It is called Aevorin Reports. And, oh, wait. There we go. So it's a really cool plugin, actually. I've used this one many, many times, and I love the alert box. Thank you, I appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna how to make the stream as cursed as possible. Okay, please go back now. Can I? Oh, we're back. Okay. Let's go. Great viewing angle. I knew you would love it, Rock. I knew you would love it. Yeah, so this is the first plugin we're checking out today. Yo, hey! Diego Vest, thank you for the €5. I appreciate it. How's it going? It's going great. It's going great. What about yourself? What about yourself? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, so Diego is Splintrox. Yeah, I know. I know. I didn't know if you cared if I leaked it. Hope you're doing great, man. Thanks for tuning in today. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate it. So this is the first plugin. I don't know what this one is about. It's called Aevorin Reports. I think it's pronounced Aevorin. It's a powerful and flexible report system for Minecraft servers designed for serious moderation and ease of use. All right. So what is this one all about? Interactive admin GUI. Manage and update reports effortlessly with an intuitive click-based. Okay. Real-time staff alerts. Status tracking. This plugin is 100% vibe coded. Maybe. Reports, categories, book GUI. Players can choose reports. So this is just like a reporting system for Minecraft, right? Oh. Visualization. That's what we love. Most advanced reporting plugin. Awesome features. Cool and amazing. Cool and amazing features. They are awesome. They are so cool. All the features we have. It's insane. Pending reports, total 2. So I guess you can just report a player. I would actually be interested in testing this one out to see how it works. We can totally do that. This is all AI. It could very well be. It could very well be. But let's see if it is available for a Minecraft version that I think I'm running 1.21.7. Pretty sure. There we go. Okay, well, let's see if it works. And let's see what it is all about. I do not have very high expectations, but maybe I'm in the wrong for that. Maybe it is actually, in reality, very awesome. And I should be really, really hyped at this moment. There we go. Server's restarting. Looks AI. It does kind of look AI, does it not? The problem is, how do we know if something is AI or not? It can be hard to tell because a lot of text looks AI generated now, even though it doesn't always have to be. Okay, it is working. So can I now just do reports? Yes, we might need someone on the server. Oh no, I can report myself. That's great. Of course I can. Yo, Fatty Typical, how you doing? Long time no see. Thank you for tuning in today. Let's see. Reporting player Casasura. Select a reason. Hacking/cheating. Harassment/bullying. Spam/advertisement. Grieving/vandalism. Exploiting bugs. Oh. We've had it a lot on Sora Craft when that server was still around. Exploiting bugs. That happens so often. Inappropriate skin/name. Inappropriate language. And other. Can you... Oh, huh? You guys can't see anything. No! There we go. There we go. Player reporting Casasura. Here we got a bunch of reasons. Where's Minecraft? It's back now. It's back. I usually don't stream like this. I usually don't share my browser. I'm not used to that. Yo, Christopher, thank you for the 5 euros, man. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for the donations. The Phoenix plugin Steam is just throwing me some bucks. Thank you guys so much for the 10 euros in total. Thank you. 5 from Christopher and 5 from Splintrox. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Very, very kind. Who went into your console? In my console? Nobody. What do you mean? Nobody went into my console? Oh, someone did. Yeah, okay, no, never mind. You're just trying to join my server. You may not, Alex. You may not join my server. No, bad. Bad, stay away. Bad, Alex. I'm not gonna whitelist you. It's not gonna happen. Okay, so let's see if it actually works. No, Alex, stay away. Somebody entered your console. Yeah, this IP, this server has been used many times, so they know what server I'm actually using. Let's see. I mean, if I would get banned, it's probably gonna be for spam and advertisement. I mean, I'll tell you 20 times to subscribe to the Casasora channel because we're so close to 100,000 subscribers. And we're only 1,500 subscribers away, which is not a lot. So, you know, I'll be like that. And then the server owner will be super annoyed. And they'll be like, nah, we're gonna ban this guy. So, bam. You are trying to Oh, the confirmation thing again. Is this something... Does anyone know? Is this something which we can disable? This is not something done by this plugin specifically. Every single plugin that uses a book GUI is currently suffering from this. Hypixel has it like this exactly. If I join Hypixel now and I do the /stream command to make like a public party, it will also do this all the time. It must be something that you can disable. There's a mod which can disable it. There's no option to disable it like by default. That sucks. That really sucks. If you go on Hypixel, biggest Minecraft server by the way, and you dare click on a book, you get this exact same message. It is a client-side thing. I just don't know how to disable it. And it has only been a thing since 1.21.7 and 1.21.8. So that's annoying. What mod? That is not a mod. That is something else. Player Saver 11. See you next time. Let's see. Reports. Casasura reported Casasura. For spam/advertisements. Your report has been submitted successfully. Okay, cool. Cool. It has been submitted successfully. Now, I want to know how I can see the reports. Reports. pending. Oh, are these my reports? Yeah, these are my reports. Wait, stop that. I think these are... Oh, no, this is the admin menu. Okay, no. So you do /report and then a player name, like myself. And then an admin can do /reports. And then they will see this. So you have pending reports, resolved reports, and rejected reports. And we can here simply click on pending. And then here we will see all of the different reports. We can click on this one. Then we have to do this annoying thing again. And then here, reporter, Kasasura. Reported, Kasasura. Reason, spam. Status pending, ID 1. So we can mark it as resolved or mark it as rejected. So resolved means we have taken the appropriate action. We have, for example, banned this Kasasura person, which should definitely happen. Hypixel needs to use the new custom payloads they added. Are they not using that yet then? Is that the reason why it is giving those confirmation screens every single time? That's weird. So mark as resolved. Shift report 1 result. Yes. Okay. Cool. Set as pending. So now... There we go. Okay, it shifted to resolved. So now it is officially resolved. Look at that. It's resolved. We can change it to rejected. Yeah, now it is rejected. So, and I guess... Alright, so we've rejected it, right? Can I now see, as Kasasura the player, what Kasasura the mod has decided? Reports. Is it something you can do? Will you ever see that? Can you somehow see what the mod has decided? If they've decided to, like, reject it or not? Huh. I have no clue. I don't think so. I don't think so either, no. Because this command reports, that is definitely just for the mods. So I don't believe there is a way. I don't believe there's a way to do this. I don't believe so. Back to categories. Yeah, okay, there's not. But that's fine, I guess. That is fine. It is fine. It's a pretty solid plugin. I do have to say, it's not bad. It is not bad. When I saw the AI generated Modrinf page, I didn't expect so much. I expected way less than we got. So it's all right. It's all right. I'm not disappointed. Do we have more? We have more plugins here. Flycraft. Oh, what is Flycraft? Advanced/fly plugin. How can a fly plugin be advanced? What do you mean? It's typing /fly. /fly speed. Okay, this seems very generic. Yeah, no. Okay. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got we have so many suggestions. We have so many suggestions. It's crazy. I'll be careful with calling any creation AI generated, since it can be hard to tell. It can be very, very hard to tell, Coding Cat, absolutely. The problem was just that the Modrinf page itself, like the text that was written, seemed kind of AI generated, like this stuff over here. But at the same time, it can indeed be very, very hard to see. It can be very hard to see if this is AI generated or not. The plugin looks actually great. The plugin is fine, and I'm sure that is not AI generated. This just kind of seems AI generated, like a powerful and flexible reporting system. That just seems like something an AI would type to. But that is the hard thing. That's the hard part of this whole AI era. Is like, is this written by AI, or has someone just been to so many Modrinf pages and has somebody just seen AI generated text so often that now if they have to write a text of their own, it also looks AI like. Yeah, like what is what is AI like? It can be really complicated. So, but that's a discussion for another day. We do have a plugin here, and I am pretty sure... Okay, it is a paid plugin. Let's still check it out, though. Let's still have a go at it. So, it is on Polymart, and it is called Craft Engine. It is paid, unfortunately, so we cannot really check it out, because I'm not gonna spend 20 bucks, like right now. But let's see what this one is about. Modding your server without client mods. Craft Engine. Craft Engine redefines plugin architecture. I can't talk today. And the next generation solution for custom content implementation. It's GVM level injection. Delivers. Okay. So what does it actually do? Random chat, it seems like you know this plugin. Is that true? Do you know it? Do you know any anti-cheat with at least partial Folia support? I have not checked out any Minecraft plugins that potentially support Folia. I've not checked out any of them. So, honestly, I don't know. It is something I could be looking into soon. Because it might be something interesting to have a look at. But thank you so much for the €5. I do appreciate it. It is something I do really want to look into. I kind of want to look into better anti-cheats in general. Because I've covered one on my channel once, which was like 1.5 years ago. And ever since then, I've not covered any other. So I think it would be good in general to do another anti-cheat soon. I might also have a look at Folia supported anti-cheats. So yeah, thank you for the video idea. It's a good video idea. Thank you for the €5. I do appreciate it. I think server software content in general is also cool. I really enjoy making it too, yeah. But wait, this is a pretty popular... This is, I think, a pretty popular plugin, right? Okay, so it doesn't have a bunch of downloads, but I've heard about some of these others. Custom nameplates? Yeah, look, this one is popular. I've definitely heard about custom nameplates before. I've definitely seen this stuff. Huh. Custom crops as well. Oh, it's even more popular. Interesting, so this is all the same developer. Who are you? Damn, you have some popular projects. And this is like your newest one then. Interesting. Interesting, that is some good stuff. Craft Engine is Nexo, only better. Oh, it's like Nexo. Or like Nexo, like Items Header. It's like adding custom content to Minecraft. Oh, that is cool. Wait. But you said there was a free version? There was a free version. Do you know how big that would be for people? Because all of those custom content plugins usually all cost money. Like items adder. Yo, what's up, Meg? How you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it, man. Hope you're doing great today. I need to look into this. Yeah, so apparently it also has a free version. Like, of course, the paid version has all the features, so I imagine the free version will be more limiting. But like every single custom item plugin, it just costs money. Like, it doesn't matter which one you're using, if you want to use Items Header or Nexo or whatever. It all costs money. All like 20 bucks at least. Yeah, let me switch. Are you on your second account again? That's crazy. What languages can you speak? Only English and Dutch. Ah, there he is. What's up, Mac? Yo, good to see you, man. Okay, so but this is cool. Wait, and you said you had a... Oh yeah, Modrinf. Let me go to Modrinf. There we go. Craft Engine. Oh, but this is cool. Oh, I'm not logged in. Oh well, I'll do that after the stream then. That is cool. So Craft Engine is like Nexo. You can add custom items and stuff like that. I guess the biggest problem would be that it is not really supported by a lot of different... Yo, thank you for the 10 gifted, Mac. That is insane. That's wild. Thank you. Thank you for the 10 gifted memberships. Everyone W's in chat for Mac. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so, so much. And 10 gifted on Twitch as well. He always go... That is unbelievable, man. That is actually unbelievable. Thank you so much. Thank you so, so much. 10 gifted on YouTube, 10 gifted on Twitch. That is actually unbelievable. Thank you so much for the incredible support. That helps out a crazy ton, man. It really, really does. I never got lucky. Go receive. You are a member, Deadly. What do you want from me? You are literally a member already. You've been paying me for the membership for the past year. Oh, man. Yoda, thank you for becoming a member as well. Damn, the members are rolling in. Thank you for becoming a member. I really appreciate it, Yoda. And Curus, thank you for the €1 donation. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. That's so kind. Thank you guys so much for all the donations. It does really, really help the channel out a bunch. That's crazy. That's crazy. I honestly forgot I'm even paying. You've been paying for, like, being a level 2 member. A tier 2 member on YouTube for, like, the past year now. You have, like, let's see, which badge do you have on YouTube? Yeah, you have the Black Cat badge. That's the 1 year badge. Only like 10 people on my channel have that now. And even 10 might be an oversaturation. It might be less. I didn't even notice the money going down. Oh, rich boy. No, I appreciate it, Deadly. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. He didn't even notice. Still no access to Legend Chat. You can just add your YouTube account and you should be fine. Oh, what is this awful ad? Can I reload the page? Will it disappear? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. But okay, Craft Engine. Sorry, I'm getting distracted so much. Well, all the donations are coming in. It's crazy. Thank you guys so much. I don't link my Discord to anything. Yeah, I've noticed. I've noticed. So, but this is cool. I think the only problem would be that a lot of plugins or a lot of custom... Because, okay, the vast majority... I don't know if it is the vast majority. A portion of people who use plugins like Itemset or Nexo don't make any content for themselves. They simply download content, like pre-made packs, from, for example, MC models. Right? I assume that because this plugin is not very popular yet, that most of those MC model packs would not support Craft Engine. Which might be a downside of it. But at the same time, like, if it is really good, and maybe there's even an easy way to transfer configs over from, for example, Nexo and Items Header to Craft Engine. It could totally be. Fully preserves the vanilla block mechanics. Even no blocks. How does it work then? How does it even work if you preserve those even? I actually don't know. Because no blocks is usually what gets used, right? Huh. And tripwires as well? Interesting. That is interesting. Adding custom items is relatively hard. It is relatively hard. It definitely is. It is hard. And that is why they all cost money. Which is why it's crazy that this one doesn't. This one is free. Craft Engine is free. And I did see in the Discord message. Let me double check. Oh, thank you, random chat. Thank you for the message. I saw in my Discord channel that... Yeah, so this plugin, I believe, fully works, but there is a limit to 20 players. Which means you can fully use it, But if you have more than 20 players online, then it will block and ask you to pay. Right? But that means unlimited access. That means you could totally get this plugin, start using it, right, for free. And then eventually when your server is actually out and about, and you might even be earning some revenue from your server, because like you're selling ranks or you're selling something like that, then as soon as you start earning some revenue, they will ask you to pay once. They will ask you to pay like 20 bucks and then you're done and then it's yours. But until that time, you can just use it for free. And if your server never reaches 20 players anyway, but it sticks at like 18, then you're just good to go with the free version. But that is such a smart method because it means you can, for free, fully start using it. You can fully start implementing it into your server. You can start trying it. You can start setting everything up. And from what I can see, you will have all the features available that the premium version has as well. Which means you can fully set up the plugin already. And then you only pay basically as soon as you maybe earn some revenue for yourself. Which is probably if you have more than 20 players then, and you have a shop, then you will have earned some sort of revenue with 20 players. Yeah, that is really, I love that business model. I think that is super smart. Splintrox, I have to go now. Wish you an amazing stream. Thank you so much, man. And thank you for tuning in. I do very much appreciate it. And thank you for the 5 euros as well. I'll talk to you later, man. Go subscribe to Kasai. Yes, so close to 100k. We can do it. We can do it. I think 2 more weeks. Probably in 2 weeks, I think. I hope. It would be so cool. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Anyway, very cool business model here. Very, very cool business. I love the way they did this. And it's also on GitHub, I see. I don't know if we should check that out. I don't think there's anything different here, but it also supports Folia. Do they all? Do plugins like Nexo also support Folia? I don't really know. But one thing I do know is that you are a trustworthy developer. Like you have made some very popular plugins like custom crops, which I've heard is amazing. And custom nameplates as well. Yeah, that's cool stuff. We even have bundles. Oh, you have bundles? That's so interesting. The Games Master, thank you for the 2 euros. I appreciate it. I don't know what your message sent because it is deleted because you were probably self-promoting something. I assume you were sending a plugin. I did not see your message. If you want to submit a plugin, you can do it on my Discord. So just go to discord.gg/Kasasora. And after that, at the top of my Discord, there will be a channel where you can actually submit it. I do very much appreciate the donation still, though. Thank you for the 2 euros. It helps out the channel a lot. Okay, this is cool. I'm not gonna install it all now because it will probably take a long time to set up. Does it have default items? Does it have stuff included by default? Does it have stuff included by default? Because then we could very quickly have a look, but it is on 1.20.7. I could just drag it in and see. We could just drag it in real quick and see. I mean, don't really have anything to lose for trying that. Let's see. No, wrong folder. No, wrong one. There we go. And let's delete this again. And then we reboot it. And then we go back to Minecraft. And I switch back my screen. There we go. Okay. Let's see if there's anything included by default. It has default items. Ooh. Well, that's interesting. Does it have dependencies? Let's see. Plugins. Craft engine. Does it automatically apply the resource pack? Nope. Craft engine. Resource? Oh no, wait. I'm enabling a resource now. No dependencies, that's good at least. That is good. 20? Do we have 20 viewers on Twitch? Let's go. Thank you all so much for watching on Twitch. I do appreciate it. Let's see, I'm looking for a resource pack folder or something like that. Do CE. CE. Default assets. Oh. Yeah, okay, but the resource pack is not applied, so I'm not able to see anything. I don't know how to apply the resource pack. Oh, wait, resource pack? Oh, there is a resource pack here. Wait. CE reload. Config reloaded. Okay. Will it then automatically enable? Will it then apply something? No, I think I have to host it myself, right? I do think I have to host it myself. You can send you a resource pack with CE reloads. I don't think so. Reload pack. Ah! Ah! Aha! Oh, fill download. Oh no. Oh no! Why? I was actually curious to see the default items. You need to host a pack. You do? I don't think so. I mean, with Nexo, for example, polymath to self. You must set the config polymath to self. Okay, well, I'll try that real quick. Otherwise, I'm gonna move on to the next plugin because we have a lot more to check out. Let's see. Let me look for host. Oh, host is currently on self. It is on self. But it still doesn't seem like it's doing anything. Which is curious. I love your videos. Thank you for the 2 pen. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm glad you're loving the videos, man. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. How long will the stream be? Oh, a few hours. Can't you just host it on the server? I mean, it is currently being self-hosted. At least that's what the plugin is telling me, but it's not actually hosting. I do have a resource pack here that I can probably zip and download. Yo! Croa Beast, thank you so much for becoming a member. I appreciate it, man. Let's see, can I archive this? I can. And then can I download it? I can as well. All right. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. Figuring it out as we go. Edit, resource packs. Let's see if I can just... Huh. I can pack it and put it on Discord for you. Yeah, I'm trying. I think I did it, but no, it's... This is not what I meant either. Okay, I have no clue. I have no clue. It's not working for some reason. You should check if the port is set correctly. Huh. Also, thank you for the €2. I do appreciate it. Thank you, Coding Cat. Very kind of you. Let's see. Check Discord. Is that the pack? Oh, I think Deadly sent me the pack. Okay, wait. We might be onto something. We might be onto something. Come on, it can be that hard to just get a resource pack. It shouldn't be this hard. Just give me the... Okay. It's not showing anything. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, wait, there it is. Oh, it's inside of the... Yeah, okay, no, I got it. I got it now. I got it now! I got it! Wait! Wait! Yes! There it is. There it is. Yo! The Games Master, thank you for the €2. Make a server host competition next. I don't really know how a server host competition would work. Wait, what? That's unreal. That's not real. Is that real? What do you mean? Thank you so much for the 50 gifted memberships. That is unbelievable. I think that's the most we've ever received. Okay, it's not the... Yeah, oh no, I kind of is. You can't even give more than 50. Welcome, members! That's insane, man. Yo! Thank you so much for the 50 gifted. This man just casually gifted 50. Yoda FK, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the insane support. That's unreal, man. That is so much. Damn. That is actually unbelievable. Thank you. Thank you so incredibly much for that. Yay, more green. Oh, we're getting more green now, okay? We definitely are. That's crazy. It's like $250. We don't know. We don't know where Yoda is from. It could be a weak currency. And in that case, it is nowhere close to $250. So we don't actually know. Because we don't know what currency he paid with. But they are still 50 gifted memberships. Which is actually unbelievable. Yoda, thank you so much for that. I really, really, really do appreciate it. Codeline, thank you for the 1 month. I appreciate it as well. The donations just keep coming. The donations just keep coming. That is insane. You totally deserve. There are 50 members. That's crazy, man. Thank you for the 1 month Codeline. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Ah, Yoda. Absolute VIP of this stream. Thank you so much again. I don't know what to say. I just... Stop donating, guys. Let's see plugins. I barely have time to take a look at all the plugins because the donations are just going crazy today. Oh, wait. And now I need to... Yeah, okay. I need... Yes. Yes. I need to disable the resource pack now. Or the resource pack I need to disable. Oh, I'm getting so many errors in my chat. Oh, no. See... How can I... Is there a way to disable the resource pack again? I don't really know. We are 100. He gave 50. He gave 50. I know, it's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. Thank you so much, BG Yoda. Oh, there are the... They're gonna come in now, I think. Damn, wait, you gifted 50 on Twitch as well? Yoda, are you good, mate? Are you alright? What is happening? Thank you so much, BG Yoda. This guy started following me 8 minutes ago. 8 minutes ago, he started following me. And he just dropped 50 gifted on YouTube. And 50 gifted on Twitch. What do you mean? That is unbelievable. There are not even 50 viewers on Twitch. It will just go to viewers that were on my channel recently on Twitch then. That is unbelievable, man. Thank you so much for all the gifted. I didn't even know what to say. Are you good, Yoda? Are you fine? That is so much money. Why would you do that? I mean, I really appreciate it. And it definitely helps the channel out a bunch. But damn. That is so incredibly much. That is so incredibly much money. That is insane. Well, I have been lurking on the YouTube side for way too long, so... That's crazy, man. I'm bored, that's it really. Oh, it's crazy that you got so much to spare, but it really helps me out a bunch, man. It really, really does. I hope you know that it helps me out and this channel big time. And yeah, these donations are crazy. So thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Okay, I need to remove something from the config. I can barely focus this stream, by the way. There is so much happening. Craft engine. Config. I really want to move on to the next plugin, but I also want to see what the items look like. Let's see. Hosting. Can I just remove the whole protocol thingy and then I can maybe do CE reload. I would definitely, like, even if I can't get in, it still won't work. Why? Why? I do really want to sit back and have a look at this plugin because it might be really fun to cover in a video. I definitely think I'm gonna cover this one in the video because a custom item plugin that you can also get for free. Stop overriding the config. I just removed a few lines, Deadly. It doesn't work. What do you mean stop overriding the config? I cannot get in. I'm not overriding anything. It just doesn't work. Wait, can I just not do disable and then... Oh. Oh, now it's still failed. Okay, thank you, Deadly. Thank you. I now have the resource pack CE. It still doesn't work. Why? Why does it not work? Also, there are so many donations still coming in. Let's Game, thank you so much for the Prime. I appreciate it. Konamice here. I don't know how to pronounce that. Thank you for the 20,000 IDR. I don't know what IDR is, but 20,000 sounds insane. Read wiki and doing things on the fly is hard. It is. I will be checking... I can't figure it out now, unfortunately. But I will be checking out this plugin for a video because it sounds very, very interesting. And if I were not streaming and not trying to do things quickly, I'm sure I will be able to figure it out. Streaming is hard. It is not. The streaming is not hard. It is just a lot of stuff to focus on. And if I have to set everything up during a stream, then yeah. But this is definitely, I think people would love this. A plugin that you can basically use for free until you have 20 players on your server. That would do great. I'm sure the community will love it. So I feel like I should definitely give that one some attention in a future video. But Konai Malls here, thank you so much for the 20,000 IDR. And Coding Cat, thank you for the €5. I can set up some examples for you while you're looking at other plugins. That sounds amazing. If you could do that, Coding Cat, it would be great. It should download now. Should it though? Nope. Failed. Still failed. It won't. And still enabled. I maybe should disable that one. It's the SHA-1 that fills. It requires UUID. You know my UUID. But that's interesting. Anyway, this will be a very cool one to have a look at soon. I think this would do great on the channel. I think people would love it. With that being said, let's go and move on to the next Minecraft plugin. Because we have a lot more to check out. Let me quickly go to Discord. And let's see what else was sent in that channel. We have so many suggestions. Oh, man. We have so many. Have I... Let's see. I'm just gonna randomly scroll, see what I can find. Make the server public. That would crumble the whole stream instantly. There will be no testing anymore. It would just be... it would just be... people trying to kill me, running around, stuff like that. Anyway... Here we got the next plugin. Donations are, by the way, still coming in. Yoda, man, I thank you so much. I don't know what to say. You've really silenced me here. Like, there are no words to express my gratitude for you just casually dropping 100 gifted spread across YouTube and Twitch. That is so extremely kind. I appreciate it so extremely much. Sorry for all the notifications. Not a problem at all. It is a good problem to have. Don't worry. A very good problem to have. So, okay. Crump Lobby is the next plugin that was sent in the channel. Average Narvi video. True, though. True. So, this is a lightweight and easy to configure lobby plugin with all essential features. Omar, hey, thank you for tuning in, man. So what does it do? What does it do? It has custom leave and join messages, first join welcome message, fireworks on join, player visibility toggle, which is always really good to have, especially if you have very crowded lobbies like Hypixel or whatever. Then we got server info items. So I guess that's just a book here, right? That's probably just gonna be the book. A teleport bow. What is that? Is a teleport bow just like you shoot your bow to a place and then you will teleport to that place? Is that what it is? Because I think that is what it is. If that is true, I don't think I've ever seen that before. Have I ever seen that before? Is there a popular server which has that? That is kind of a cool feature. There are probably a bunch of servers which have it, but I don't think I've ever seen a server. Hypixel has it? No. In that case, I'm just very blind. It's not that uncommon? Interesting. Interesting. I'm just living under a rock in that case. BG Yoda, thank you so much. It's still going. Still going. All the notifications are still coming in, man. That's actually insane. Thank you. Thank you, Yoda. We got a spawn system, /set spawn and then /spawn. Launch pads. To open menu. Pressure plates. You know, this looks very solid, actually. This looks very solid. Oh, no. Look what it says here at the bottom. Made with love by this user. Is it so common for plugin and mod developers to say this at the end of their Mothrain page? Like, the plugin we checked out at the start of this stream had the exact same thing. It also had this at the bottom. Is it like just a general thing that everyone does? Oh, you have a bunch of other plugins too. Mob health. Changes the mob's name to display its health amount. You know, that's pretty useful. I think plugins like CMI also have this. Edgar, 10 out of 10. I love it. Oh, interesting. Okay, that's pretty cool. Simple calculator. So this, yeah, okay, this is basically like the calculation mod. But then it's a plugin. Even though the calculation mod's also a plugin. And it's also a mod. Wait, it's not a plugin. No, it is a mod. It's for Fabric. Interesting. Okay, very interesting. Also, the donations have finally died down. Thank you so much, everyone who donated. Thank you, Yoda, for the 100 gifted. And yeah, thank you to everyone else for the crazy donations. It helps a bunch. It really, really does. Do 50 more. You can't just ask someone to gift 50 more memberships after they've gifted 100. That is insane. That is insane. Anyway, let's see. Do we have more gallery pictures? Okay, so I guess these will just launch you, kind of. Oh, change type. Interesting. Interesting. And then... here we got custom items. Okay, this looks like a pretty solid plugin. I don't know if we should try it out, though. It's not like I have a lobby server available to just check. Yo, Yoda! Thank you for the 8 more gifted on Twitch. That is such an interesting amount. Why did you gift 8 specific... oh, I think we... those are just people watching currently. Those are just currently people watching. That you decided to all gift a membership. Thank you, BG Yoda. I appreciate it. Thank you for the 8 more gifted. I don't know what's happening today. I have no clue. That must be a record. I don't think it is. Okay, on Twitch, yes. On Twitch, this is definitely a record. On Twitch, this is a record. On YouTube, not. I think on YouTube, the most gifted we ever received was 110 during a live stream. I'm pretty sure 110 gifted is the most gifted we've ever received, like once, during like a full stream. And it was like 2 years ago, if it wasn't more than that. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's not a record on YouTube yet. On Twitch, definitely it is. It definitely is. Thank you so much, man. Just call me Yoda, by the way. But hated it not being on 100. Oh, I appreciate it. Oh, we have 100 subs now on Twitch, yeah. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't even know what's happening, man. That's great. Thank you so much, Yoda. Thank you so much. Your boy Cameron, thank you for the $2 on YouTube. It's Mr. Beast on an alt. It kind of feels like that, yeah. He's just spending money like crazy. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate it so much. Thank you, man. This one seems cool. This seems like a nice and simple and easy plugin. I will not install it currently, as I do not have a lobby server available where I can easily test it on. But this seems like a cool and solid one. So, hey, GG to the creator. Kelpskinder, GG. Good job. It looks very solid. If it works the way you explain it here on your website, then yeah, it is a very good alternative. For example, for, what's it called again? Deluxe menu. No, Deluxe Hub. Deluxe Hub, pretty sure. Okay, so Deadly said that the server is fixed. Let's see if it is. I just want to have a look at the items. Oh. Oh, it works! Craft engine works! Oh. Where did you go? Oh, hi. Thank you, Deadly. Oh, wait. Oh, so this is some of the stuff included with Craft engine. Interesting. Interesting. And then here we have default assets. Ooh, palm tree. Topaz. It's even shiny. Look at the shine. Look at the shine on the topaz. That looks so great. That looks so super great. We got topaz ore. Deep slate topaz. Oh. Oh, that is clean. Wait, I like that. Look at it. Deadly is always here. Of course he is. Of course he is. And then we got furniture. This does look really clean. It does. What's up, Deadly? Ooh, look at the topaz. I love the little sparkle it has. It is just a simple animation, but it does look really nice. And then we got a little bench, which we can sit on. Come on, Deadly. Come sit down. Sit down with me, please. Come. Come. There we go. There we go. Awesome. That's awesome. That's cool. Okay. So these kind of remind me of Nexo, but I guess that's just because Nexo also comes with a with some default furniture. But this looks really great. If this is just the default pack that you get, which is the case. But the fact that, so you can get this for free, right? Are you making a video on this? Yeah, probably. Why did you make it face the hill? Stop, Eisen, don't be like that. This is just a beautiful bench facing the hill. Don't question my decisions. If I want a bench facing the hill, I will have a bench facing the hill. Is this what you wanted? Huh? You think this is better? Is it now Eisen approved? I think it is now Eisen approved. But yeah, I think I will be making a video about this. I definitely think so. I love looking at ugly hills. It's not ugly. It's just... Okay, well, maybe never mind. But... Why is one person gifted 58 subs? I have no clue. I have no clue. Yoda came in and he was like, here, Kasai. Here you got 58 gifted on Twitch and 50 gifted on YouTube. I'll be leaving now. Good day. That happened just now, 10 minutes ago. I don't know. I'm blown away still. But very cool. Yeah, I will be making a video about this because, guys, all of this stuff you can get for free. This is free. You can add this plugin and add these items for free. And only when your Minecraft server has more than 20 players, you actually need to pay for anything. And the plugin is not even that expensive. It's 20 bucks, which is not cheap for a plugin. But it's also not expensive. Like there are plugins nowadays which are 40 or 60 bucks. So 20 is not that much. And you only have to pay when your server is actually live. And when your server actually gets more than, let's say, 20 players. So, you know, it's pretty cool. It's really cool that you kind of have a period like that where you can just, yeah, try it out and set everything up. Really cool. I love that, man. I definitely love that. Because I'm bored, nothing else. That is crazy, Yoda. That is crazy. Okay. So, next plugin. What else do we have to check out? Let's see. Do we have more plugins? Oh no, Modern X. Oh no, is this another AI generated plugin? Is this another AI? I'm not saying it is, because I don't want to be that guy. But we have had some AI generated plugins before that were like actually fully AI generated. The X plugin series. Is this just another Is this just another X plugin? No. Do you guys remember? We can't see it. I know. There we go. Modern X. That's the name. All-in-one modern plugin for your Minecraft server. Also includes customizable auto mod. Okay, the logo is... This is just another X series plugin or not? For anyone who wasn't here during the streams I did like 6 months ago, X plugins have a whole lore behind them. There is this guy, I don't think this is the same person, but there is this guy who was just making a bunch of different plugins with AI. Like AI was coding it for them. And they all had X in the name. They all started with X, I think. And there were like a whole bunch of them. Is that the same person? No, this is a different person. This is a different person, but there was like one person, he had like 10 different plugins. Or like 20 different plugins, and they were all pretty much the same. All started with an X, all AI generated. It was so interesting. Akar, was it Akar? He has like 50. Yeah, that guy. This is not that though. This is not that. This is definitely something else. But still, like, okay, the logo is AI generated, which is not a problem. Let's just see what the plugin is about. This plugin provides an all-in-one modern system for your Minecraft server. It includes... What do you mean an all-in-one? Oh, moderation. Oh, moderation system. Got it. Open a visual modern panel /MX panel. Warn, mute, kick, and ban. View live analytics. Configure an automat system, creating rules for link blocking, profanity filters, alt account detection. Oh, so it will just kind of check what IP accounts are joining from, and then if there's an alt joining from the same IP, then you know it will block that. And custom chat filters. Complete with per rule. Enable/disable whitelist. Okay, okay. Interesting. Interesting. It was 80, I think. What was 80? Like the most gifted on Twitch? Is that what we're talking about? It says the goal is 150, but only 50 away now. You mean the goal on Twitch? It has probably increased because we reached it. What does the goal say? Yeah, the sub goal is 150 now. Because we hit 100, it has now upped itself to 150. Because we just hit the previous goal. Which is crazy. Which is absolutely crazy. That's unreal, man. Okay, then we have the main moderation panel. Do we want to check this one out? What do you guys say? Oh! YouTube video. That's good. Enter name of the new rule. Example. And then... Oh, this is the automat menu then. Interesting. So Sora, what are you talking about, Yoda? What do you mean? They gift us another 50. What is happening today? I'm losing my mind. What do you mean? Why? That is so much, Yoda. Yoda, thank you so much for the 50 more gifted on Twitch. That is a whole... Yeah, no, that's a whole solid 108 gifted so far. That is, that's crazy. That's absolutely insane. What do you even mean? What do you even mean? How can you gift 108 different subs on a single stream? That is so insane, man. Thank you so much for that. I think he's from BG, probably, but still, man, that is so much. That is a lot of money. That really is a lot of money. Thank you so much, man. That's like a 2 to 3 month salary for most people here in China. It really depends on the currency still, because, yeah, depending on the currency, it really differs. You know, how much euros it is, because I will get everything in euros. So no matter what you donate, no matter what currency, for me it will be translated to euros. Because that's the currency that I use where I live. So, you know, no matter what currency it is, it will be translated. I don't know how much euros there will be. But this is a lot. Like, it is a lot. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. I like your tutorials. Thank you so much, Faxboy. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Okay, but this is not bad. I think €1 is 7.5. I think. Interesting. I have no clue how much you even spend for all of that, but... That's crazy, man. That is actually crazy. Actually crazy stuff. And this plugin looks okay, I think. It does look fine. The whole page does scream AI generated, and I don't know if the plugin itself was actually AI generated as well. It doesn't see... Okay, so the plugin is not available for the latest version of Minecraft, which is interesting. I don't know why you wouldn't update it. But other than that, it does seem like a solid moderation plugin. There's nothing which really stands out. That it would not be good. Like, there's nothing which raises any red flags. Yeah, I think it looks pretty fine. I do think it looks pretty fine. I got a random email that I was gifted a sub. Yeah, we got a lot of subs gifted today. About that. Really interesting to see how more and more plugins are becoming available on Modrinf today. I mean, yeah, it has really increased a lot. Like if we just go to plugins here, right? We currently have, let's set it to 100. We currently have 62 pages of plugins. 62 pages of 100 plugins. So that is 6,200 different plugins. So 500 DKK, that's about 670 euros. There is no shot that is actually what you donated. That is... that's a real Yoda. Are you good, mate? Have you won the lottery or something? Did you win some kind of crazy lottery? I appreciate it so much. Like, don't get me wrong, I really appreciate it. It really, really helps the channel out. But these are just crazy amounts, man. I just make a lot of money. I mean, fair. I mean, fair. If you do, and if you can miss it like this, you're helping this YouTuber and streamer out a crazy bunch. So, thank you so much for that, man. You've made my day. You definitely have. But okay, 62 different pages of plugins. That is a lot. That is a lot of plugins. That definitely is a lot. B-Auction. Imagine. B-Auction is a powerful, modern, and robust auction plugin designed for Minecraft servers. Interesting. Well, I think Modrinf is actually... So, on one hand, 62 pages of 100 plugins is not that much. But do keep in mind that Modrinf has not been around for that long. I think Modrinf was created in 2020. Or at least they launched in beta in 2020. So they've been around for a little under 5 years. And during that time, they were able to gather 6,200 different plugins. And keep in mind, this is a modding first platform, right? Look, they have 18... Okay, wait, that's a bad comparison. They have 376 pages of mods. So plugins being a smaller percentage is expected. But it's still a lot. And what I do not recommend people doing. Because make sure you can make it through the month first. I mean, definitely. Yoda, you are 100% correct. And this is always what I tell to everyone. Sometimes people will come into my stream. And they will be like, I really want to donate, but I can't afford it. And I'm like, please do not donate. Of course, I appreciate it a lot if you do. And if you can financially miss it, it would help me out a lot as a creator. But do not feel obligated to donate in any way, shape, or form. You don't have to do that. Yes, it will make me happy. Yes, it helps me out as a creator. But you are not obligated to donate. And I don't think any more or less of you if you do or do not donate. Like, it of course helps out a ton, but it is not required at all. And yeah, it is definitely most important that you can just make it through the month. And only if you have money to spare, you can maybe think about something like this. But yeah, no, I really appreciate it, man. I thank you, Yoda. Thank you so much. We have so many... Yeah, there are a lot of... Ooh! Beauty quests. Wait, is this beauty quests? Is this beauty quest as in the beauty quest I've covered on my channel before? How do I know beauty quests? Anytime, lad. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Yo, Fire ML, thank you for the £2. I appreciate it. Donation go brr. Donation go brr. Appreciate it. Thank you. You have trouble. Thank you for the 10. The donations keep coming. The notifications have been ongoing for the past like hour. That's crazy. You have trouble. Thank you for the 10 Polish currency. Instructions unclear. Felt obligated to donate. Oh, what is happening today? This is This is a crazy live stream. I've barely been able to check out any plugins. Because you guys just keep throwing donations at me. Which I appreciate, but still. Polish currency. I don't know the name, Eisen. I forgot. I forgot the name. Okay, I don't know anymore. Polish currency. Yeah, don't throw that at me. You have trouble. Don't throw the Z and the T at me. Or is that even a T? Is that a T or an L? I don't really know. Don't throw that letter at me. I'm Dutch. I don't know what that says. Z and the T. It's a... What is an L with a little stripe? What does that mean? I don't know that alphabet. Oh, there's so much happening today. I don't even know. So, yeah, this is Beauty Quest. I think I've made a video about it once. I don't remember. Let's see what else do we have. What do we have on Discord? Let's see. We're just gonna go over a few pages. Here we got something. Oh, that is not the right... That is... No. That is... I did that wrong. Oh, I did it correctly. Wow. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Enhanced pets. A plugin that completely enhances the existing Minecraft pet system. The existing pet system? You mean like that you can friend a cat and a wolf and that's it? This is not a plugin to add pets. It enhances the existing wolf-cat system. Okay. Interesting. Interesting, okay. Enhanced Pets is a powerful feature-rich plugin designed to make Minecraft petting smoother. Whenever you're running a survival, factions, or any other type of server, Enhanced Pets provides everything you need to make pets more fun and useful than vanilla. Okay, what does it do? Change pet mood. Change your pet's mood to passive, neutral, or aggressive. Oh, so you can make it so that your wolf will not attack anything. Like it does now, I assume. Pet TP, instantly teleport your pet to you. GUI, always have a great overview of your pet. This looks kind of fun. This looks kind of fun. Oh no, what happened on Twitch? Anonymous gifter! Wait, anonymous gifter? Who gifted 5 subs anonymously? What do you mean? Anonymous, I don't even know who to thank now. Somebody just dropped 5 gifted, but we have no clue who it is. They are anonymous. Thank you, anonymous gifter. Anonymous gifter for the 5 gifted subs on Twitch. Was it Yoda? I think it... No, another 5 gifted. What is happening? What is happening today? I don't know anymore. Like, what is even going on Twitch? I'm just trying to check out plugins and Twitch keeps exploding, man. Start a new goal. I mean, I guess we're gonna start a new sub goal on Twitch now. There we go. Start goal. This is another 5 gifted. Thank you so much for the 10 gifted, anonymous person. Anonymous secret person. I don't know who you are, but I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the 10 anonymous gifts. I didn't even know you could gift anonymously on Twitch. I had no clue. This stream has already gone insane at this point. This was not how the stream was supposed to go. I appreciate it a lot still. It really, really, really helps me out a bunch. I want you guys to know that I do really appreciate it, every single one of you. But I barely checked out any plugins. I appreciate it. Why not? I mean, no particular reason. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Thank you guys so much. Time to disappear for 1 year until you need money again. Average YouTube tactic. Oh, like the YouTubers do it. It does happen a lot. I do have to say, Deadly, you are kind of right on that. You see it often, right? Yo, Thompson Gaming, thank you for the 2 gifted. I appreciate it. It does happen often that like YouTubers make a few videos and they all do really well. And they all get like millions of views. And then after that, they will just leave YouTube altogether. They're like, okay, I got my money. I'm out. I can't even imagine. Why would you do that? Like, of course, the money is really nice. But at the same time, don't you make videos because you just enjoy it? I don't know. I have a guy that I follow. He uploads once every 3 to 5 months because he needs money. It does happen often now. Yo, Thompson, thank you for the Prime. I appreciate it. Thank you for dropping your Prime on my channel. That's awesome, man. But yeah, it does happen often now. YouTubers, they just make videos because like they need to pay rent. And they're like, okay, let me upload 4 videos this month. And then they will just be gone again. Because they now have the money, so they can now continue on with their life. I couldn't even imagine doing that. I don't know. I just love making content, man. I can't see myself taking such a break. The longest break I've ever taken from YouTube was, I think, 2 weeks. Which was in March last year. Because I had a lung infection. And I couldn't stop coughing. I think that's the longest break I've taken from YouTube since I started this channel 5 years ago. 2 weeks without any uploads. Or like almost 3 weeks, I think. Yeah, which was last year, March. Not because I wanted to, because I physically could not sit behind my desk. I think that's the longest break I've taken since I started this channel. That's crazy. That's crazy. FireML01, thank you so much for the Prime. I do appreciate it. Are YouTube videos or streaming more fun? They are both really fun in their own regard. Thank you, Yoda, for the gifted. On Twitch, again, thank you for the gifted. And Fire, thank you for the Prime. It is, it's really hard to say. I love it both so much. Streaming is really fun because there is like direct interaction with you guys. I can just talk with you. I can share things that I'm excited about. You guys are able to watch that and live interact. Which is such a fun experience. Just being able to literally basically have a conversation. Maybe a little bit of a one-sided one in the regard that I'm the only one who actually talks. But at the same time, you know, you guys can just type in chat and I can read that. And that is very fun. Those interactions are very, very fun. At the same time, when it comes to videos, some things are just better to show in videos. Some things, especially things that require a bit more research or a bit more, you know, some things you can't just really do during a live stream. Some things, like videos, I released a video today about a hosting company that had to pay like a big fine. Such a story, I could in theory tell it on stream, but I don't think it would come over the same way if I would have done that. Yeah, such a thing is just better done in a video, I feel like. So, you know, they both have their own ups and downs. I still think that when it comes to like which type of content I prefer more myself, I think I would still say videos, just because that is what I started with, and it is still what I mostly do. Most days I spend actually making videos. That is kind of my main thing still. So I would say videos, but I also wouldn't want to miss the occasional live stream, because I really love the interactions and just the conversations. And people always say like, oh, Kasa, you're yapping so much during your live stream. Exactly. That is why I love streaming. I love streaming for the yapping. That's the thing I love the most about it. Just being able to have conversations like this, being able to talk, being able to see chat and have like real interactions. That is the thing I love most about streaming. That is the whole reason I stream, because of all the yapping. Yeah, so that. We need to check out more plugins. It's going... This stream, I'm getting sidetracked so hard. It's insane. Good resource pack, by the way. It does look beautiful. This is a cool plugin. This is really nice. I kind of want to save this one. Just to test it out. Or should we just test it out quickly? I guess we could, but... It is really cool. Oh, happy guest support. Tame a happy guest by right-clicking with snowballs. So basically, it doesn't add any pets. It is just every single mob in vanilla Minecraft. That you can like make a pet in vanilla Minecraft. It will just add more features to that. Like for example, changing the pet's mood, TPing to them, having a GUI, stuff like that. Also guest support, and even dead pet revival. When the pet dies, it stays in the GUI. I don't think we have to actually test it out. But this is definitely a very cool plugin. I could totally see a server want. If you just want pets like they are in vanilla, but you want to add like a few features and you don't want custom pets straight away, this is a very nice middle ground. So yeah, I would actually recommend this one. Enchanted or enhanced pets. Not enchanted, just enhanced pets. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Definitely give it a go. I think that could be a very, very fun plugin. Oh, we got so many recommendations. Ooh, what is this one? It was sent like 1 minute ago. I'm curious what this one is about. I'm gonna go eat at 1 p.m. I need to go eat at 1 a.m. Be right back. Okay, sure. Go get yourself a midnight snack. You can shoot fireballs with the happy guest. You can? Oh, that's fun. That's very fun. It's later going on my SMP server. Yeah, I actually think it would be very fun to have it on an SMP, for example. I definitely think so. Also, again, thank you so much, Yoda, for... Let's see, did I already shout out your gifted? Yoda gifted 1 tier 1 sub to Webhead. Thank you so much for that. Also, Nizar.com1. Thank you for the 18 AED. I don't know what AED is, but I very much appreciate it. Thank you so much for the 18 AED. I love watching your videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the amazing support. I have to go to probably in a bit for some time business stuff. Aww. Deadly needs to continue his alien host business. It's Dubai. Oh, it's Dubai money. Dubai money. Yes. Hey, I appreciate it, man. I love watching your videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the incredible support. Thank you for the 18 Dubai money. Dubai currency. Let's see. We got even more fish as the next plugin. A fishing extension, bringing an exciting new experience to fishing. Even more fish. Wait, does it really have so many? Is this really the rating? Does it have 115 ratings? On what? Where does it have 115 ratings? What website is it on? The Spigot? Maybe on Spigot. There's a wiki. There's a GitHub. There's a GitHub. There is. Even more fish. Is there a... The plugin moved from Spigot. Oh. That explains a lot. Actually. That explains a bunch. Okay, cool. So, what does it actually add? More fish plugin. Server admin. You're given a huge range of options to customize and fish for your server. No matter what type of fish you want to add to your server, it's possible with even more fish. The coin fish. Oh. Does it also support custom textures? Does it do that? Because that does look pretty cool. It does? Nice. Its items split into 3 possible choices. Default cut. And then get an item or custom head. Oh yeah. Item lore. It supports Nexo and stuff. Ooh. Fish length. Oh, you can add fish length. Like they have in like a bunch of those fishing games. Or like a bunch of those like farming sim games. Like Stardew Valley. Where you can fish and then they can all have like a different length. And you can have like new records. Or Animal Crossing has that as well, I think. That's interesting. That's really cool. That's really cool. Biome specific and region specific fish. I love that too. Biome specific is awesome. That you need to actually travel around the world to get all of the fish. Does it also have something like a menu to see if you have caught them all? Is that something included in the plugin? Because that will be kind of cool. Like, let's say you would have a all fish menu where you can see which ones you've caught. The journal? Oh, there is a journal. No way. Yeah, because that would be really cool. I could totally see myself being in a Minecraft world, just like you would be in like Stardew Valley or Animal Crossing. And you kind of want to catch them all, right? So then you would just go around the whole Minecraft world and to all the biomes to catch fish everywhere. Relatively new feature, not on the main page. I love that though. That is so cool. And you have different types of baits. Yo, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I've always felt like Minecraft should do more with their fishing. Fishing is a pretty boring mechanic in Minecraft, just because there's not a whole lot to it. This definitely gives a lot more depth to fishing in general. That's cool. I like that one. Yeah, I like it too. I think that's really cool. I think that's really, really cool. Okay, I definitely recommend this one. I don't know if installing it will be a giant hassle. Does it come with default stuff? Fire ML? I could install it quickly. But if there's a whole bunch of stuff I need to do and configure, then I won't, and we will move on. But this is a cool one. I might actually cover this one in a video. I think it will be fun. I think it will be fun. It comes with 5 rarities. Okay, well, in that case, we can, I think, quickly download it. Right. Should be able to. Plugins. Let's drop it in and see if it works. Does it have dependencies? Okay, we're giving it a reboot. There we go. Quick, he says 30 minutes later. What do you mean, quick? Stop! Stop! Just a bunch of optional hooks. I know I've been very, very slow at checking out plugins today. It was meant to just be a full-blown plugin stream where I checked a bunch of them out, and we're gonna continue for a bit longer. I did just not expect the amount of donations we received today. We've received so many different donations. It is actually unbelievable. Like, it is actually unreal. Thank you guys so much for all the super chats and all the gifted. In total, we have 62 new members in this stream. 62 new members we got on YouTube. And on Twitch, I didn't even know how much we got on Twitch. Like a lot. I don't even know how much we actually gained on Twitch, but it is definitely a lot. Which is crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, thank you so much. But yeah, 62 on Twitch as well. It's crazy. Let's see if the server works. On Twitch, you got 165 members. Yeah, I know we have 165 now, but we already had some before the stream started. Like, on YouTube, we got 62 new members in this stream. Like, we started with an amount, and now we have 62 new ones on YouTube. I was just wondering how many new ones do we have on Twitch. I don't know. We have 165 in total, yeah, but we had like 30 before? Maybe 30? Kind of 30? I'm not really sure, but damn. The support is unreal, guys. I appreciate it so much. Let's see if we can... Is it installed correctly? Oh. Ooh, even more fish. There we go. EMF. Cool. Yo. Prot.e. I think so. Thank you for the $20 on YouTube. Damn. This is a casual $20 drop. I appreciate it, boo. Beep boop. I'm so scared. Thank you, man. Thank you for the $20. That's insane. The donations just keep coming. I don't know what's happening today. This is the most crazy stream I've ever had, I think. Oh, man. I don't know what's happening today. I really don't know what's happening today. Thank you so much, Prot, for the 20 USD. That's insane, man. All people in Kasa's basement are eating today. We're eating good bread today, boys. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Toggle custom fish. You will no longer catch custom fish. You will now catch custom fish. Okay, good. Good. Thank you, Prot, again. I appreciate it so much. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much for the 20 USD, man. Open fish shop. Oh, we can sell them there, I guess. View baits. So these are different types of bait, I think. Do we need to select one ourselves? Oh, I guess you can... Oh, maybe you can catch those too. Wait, let me grab a fishing rod. Let me actually grab a fishing rod. Ew. Is this the texture of a tropical fish egg? Why does it look like that? Why is that how it... That is so... Yeah, okay. Interesting. Let's see if we can fish. Let's see what we will get. Oh, whoops. Come on. Oh, I keep clicking. Come on. I can still fish. Come on. Grab it. Yes. That is just... Oh! Head dog caught by Kasasura. Measure 23.3 centimeters. Alright. That is pretty cool. That is pretty freaking cool. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a different one. Nice. Exos Exo, thank you for the €2. I appreciate it. Please try enchant enhanced pets. I'd love it so much. Oh, the plugin we just had a look at. We could check it out real quick. We could. Also, thank you so much for the bits. Did somebody donate bits? I saw something bits related. Oh no, somebody just redeemed channel points. Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for the €2. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. We will have a look at enhanced pets in a little bit. First, want to see if I can catch you more fish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There it comes. That's gonna be a rare one. Penguin feather. Wait. Wait a second. Read this and tell me what's wrong. Wait a second. Do you know that YouTube will implement AI age verification? I heard about it, yeah. I'm very much against that. I'm very much against the AI thing. I don't know, man. I really can't even... Like, they're becoming very, very strict with age verification in the UK now. I can understand for, like, 18+ websites that you want age verification, or that you don't want anyone beneath 18 to be on those websites. I can understand that, okay? I can understand. But why do you also need it for social media and stuff? It makes it so you can't go anywhere online without verifying your age. And I don't want to give my ID to every single company in the world. Like, I do not want to do that. I do not want to submit my ID to every single websites that I go to. And then my ID and my, like, all my information will just be sitting there in the database. That is, like, I'm absolutely not against them kinda, you know, trying to keep minors out of those websites. I think that is an amazing thing, and that maybe even have happened sooner. But at the same time, I don't want my... it's a privacy concern. I don't want my ID to sit in every single database from every single company. I've had my details leaked many times. Try publicly accessing... Yeah, that's what I mean. I've had my email and stuff and my phone number leaked many times. And not associated to my YouTube channel, don't you worry. But I've had it leaked. Just because I had an account somewhere at a company and they got hacked. Whoops, we got hacked. Then they sent you an email, yeah. They now know all of your credit card information. I'm like, oh great, that's amazing. I'm so glad about that. It is so annoying. Imagine, like, I think I've had it 4 or 5 times. Now, 4 times in total. 5, I think 4 times. 4 times in total that my information got hacked. Or that an account got hacked, or a place where I had an account got hacked. And yeah, because of that, my email was leaked. So I'm now getting a whole bunch of email addresses or passwords leaked. That's what they always say. It's never true. I get so many spam emails nowadays and so many spam calls. I've had to disable on my phone. I've had to make it so that people can't call me if your number is not in my phone. Like, if I've not added you as a contact, you cannot call me. I had to disable that completely because I get so many spam calls. Because that's how many times my phone number has been leaked. Imagine they get hold of, like, my full ID and, like, so the Dutch equivalent to a social security number and stuff like that. Because that is what will be leaked then. That is what will happen if they leak your stuff. I do not feel comfortable with that. And I don't think anyone should feel comfortable with that at all. But if that didn't leak, what did? Yeah, passwords or something, I guess. Yeah, this is a long feather, by the way, yeah. 131 centimeters. That's a huge ass feather. That is a huge one. Okay, let me catch one more fish. I like this plugin. And then I want to download enhanced pets. I think that will be fun. It implies the penguin is at least 2 meters. At least, yeah. At least. Oh, look, this one is regularly sized. Sea snail, 2.6 centimeters. That's still quite big for a sea snail, but no, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. That's doable. Do you live in Belgium? No, no, I don't live in Belgium. I live in the Netherlands. Right above there. It is a big penguin feather. That's a big one. That's a very big one. Okay, let's see. Enhanced pets. We checked it out before. Let's see. Enhanced pets. Is it available? Okay, it is available for Minecraft 1.21.7, which is great. Let's drag it in quickly. And let's see what it is all about. There we go. He obviously is not Belgian. Because he's not miserable. What do you mean? Is it that bad to live in Belgium? I can't imagine it's that bad. I can't imagine it's that bad. Is there anyone here in chat who lives in Belgium? It's not. Do you live in Belgium yourself? Do you live in the Dutch part of Belgium? Or the French part? Or German part? There's a German part. There's a part that speaks German. There is. Okay, let's see. Is it installed? Enhanced pets is installed. Okay, so now we get a doggo. No, wolf. Oh, I can't. The new spawn eggs still look kind of disturbing to me. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm from Germany. Let's go. German friend. Then we need What do we need? Bones. We need bones. I've played this game before, trust me. Okay, there we go. Hello. Morocco is Belgium? No, I don't think so. Hello. Okay, so how do I open your GUI? Is it like pets? Pets. Pets. Oh, you can see all of your pets. No way, that's cool. Oh, I love this. This is a cool plugin. Doggo, this is so cool. Wait, we're gonna find cats. Any cats here, please? Wait, you want fish? No, not fish. Cod. Yes, raw cod. Where did you go? Be my friend, please. Oh my, we have a cat. Guys, we have a cat. It's official. It's official. Yes. Oh, you actually see the... That's so cool. No way. So you can actually, like, I'll have all of your cats in... Isn't it salmon? Cat works too. You can actually have all of your pets inside of this menu. Scan for my pets. Scans loaded areas for your unregistered pets. What do you mean for my unregistered pets? How does that even work? No new unregistered... Is an unregistered pet just a normal animal that you've not tamed? Do horses count? They don't, right? No, they don't. Is that an unregistered cat? Or an yeah, wait, we should... Cat. 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 Hello. Hello. Unregistered. No, there are no unregistered cats. What do you mean then? Yo, the Barrett. Thank you so much for the 1 month on tier 3. I appreciate it, man. Basement gang. Hello, how you doing? It's from the plugin that was installed. Oh. Before the plugin was installed. Oh, got it. Okay, never mind. And you can have multiple pages. Batch actions. Cats. You have one type of this pet. One type of this pet. I can have more. Watch me. Oh, hello, doggo. You wanna be my... Oh, you are my friend already. Just, no. Yeah, okay. Where did they go? You are cute. Be my friend, please. There we go. You wanna be my friend? No? Now you do. There we go. Oh, it's a baby one. Please be my friend. Can you not become my friend because you're small? Is that how you work? You do not friends because you're small? Or maybe you're my friend already because you were born. I don't really know how that works. Baby, so cute. We want more. Please give me more pets. I want more. Yes. Oh, an orange one. Yes. Be my friend. There we go. You look cute as well. You look very cute. Please be my friend. Here we go. Secured. Secured. Oh, it's a baby one. So small. So cute. More cats. More. More you. I want you as a friend. Please be my friend. What is wrong? Are you broken? No, you're not. You are friends. You are friends. You are friends. You friends. You want friends? You also friend. You friends? You friends. You friends. Why if not friends? Why friend shaped? So many friends. Ah, they're all teleporting by me. Yes. I get so many friends. Look at that. That's amazing. Okay, and now we do /pets. Okay, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go. Mode neutral. So what happens? Damn, can we gear it up? That's crazy. Okay, let's see what we can do here. So we can set it passive. Pet will not attack any target. Pet defends owner and attacks... Okay. Pet attacks nearby hostile Oh. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. That is interesting. Everyone. Gather. Gather. We are gonna... There we go. Select all. Next step. Aggressive. Okay. What is night again? 1800? Yeah, it's night. Zombie. Yes. Get him. No? No, really? We're not attacking the zombie. You do not care. But you do care about a chicken. Why do you care about... Or is it because they're just not hostile to me? If I hit you once... Will my cats attack? What are they attacking? They are killing something. What did you kill? Oh, they're now also attacking the horse? Oh, they are! Look! They're attacking the zombies now! Let's go! And they're also killing the horse for some reason. The horse must also go. It's only a small sacrifice to pay. Come on, cats. Get them. Oh, this is an awesome plugin. I love this so much. I love this so much. Coding Cat, are we watching? Are we taking notes, mate? Are we taking notes? Come, please. Kill them all. This is amazing. I love it so much. I love it so much. This is so cool. Okay, I'm wasting way too much time. But this is really... Okay, there was the horse. The horse is now gone. The horse is no longer with us. Oh no, that's crazy. This is fun! I love these plugins. I really love them. This is so cool. No, set noon. There we go. It's day again! Hey, GG! Massive GG. So, we've currently checked out this, we've currently checked out this one. Enhanced pets. Together with the fishing plugin. More fish. Even more fish? Even more fish, I think it was called. Two really cool plugins. Like, honestly, both really cool. I like them. Honestly, I'm currently messing around with Craft Engine. Absolutely fantastic plugin. Yeah, is it great? You want to switch to it? For the upcoming project? We need a collab and have fish as pets. Yes. Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. Craft Engine. Definitely. I really want to now, yeah. That's so cool. Yeah, I definitely want to test out how much you can do for free. Like that a portion of it is available for free. That is something I need to cover on my channel because I know people will love it. I know it will be, yeah. I know people will really enjoy it. If you figured out kind of how it all works, do let me know, Coding Cats, and then I'll make sure to make a video about this because that's awesome. That's awesome. Let's see what else do we have. I'm gonna check out a few more plugins before ending the stream. What is iSleep? Why is it called iSleep? iSleep. Sleep anytime. Oh, sleep anywhere, anytime. Control explosion in all dimensions. Oh, so you can even sleep in the nether? Is that what this is? What is Craft Engine? Craft Engine is a Nexo alternative. Like Nexo items that are alternative, but then it is free. Or, well, it is free until you hit 20 concurrent players on a server. Best part is that it exposes most of the underlying logic in the config, comparing to Nexo, which considers its block adding methods some kind of secret. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I love transparency. I love transparency like that. That is really awesome. Damn. Yeah, I definitely want to... I'm excited now. I want to make a video about it. I want to make a video about it as soon as possible. You need to explain the roots of the plugin to me, Coding Cat. Because you're figuring it out now, and then I'll make a video about it. It's gonna be exciting. All right. So I sleep anywhere, I guess. Sleep is an innovative, or iSleep is an innovative plugin that allows players to sleep in any dimension while maintaining control over explosions. Perfect for servers looking to enhance players' experience with advanced bed mechanics. So what does it actually do then? I've been watching your videos on YouTube for the last few days. I've been loving them. Your videos help me get Light Medica and all the mods. 10 amazing fits, man. Thank you. You're so welcome. Stone Shooter, you are so welcome. I'm so glad you enjoy the content, man. I mean, I'm glad you enjoy it, and thank you for tuning into the stream. So we got a multi-dimensional sleep. In other words, sleep beds will just no longer explode. You can even sleep in the nether. I'm a bit tired. And in the end, so that's cool. Safe sleeping. Control where players can sleep. Time control. Configure sleep mechanics regardless of time. Oh, so you can make it so that players can sleep even though it's day, I guess. Distance settings. Customize bed interaction distance. And safety controls. Manage monster proximity. Oh, that's interesting. Manage proximity. Interesting. So you can make the proximity very, very high or very low. I mean, in most cases, I feel like proximity is a bit... The proximity number is a bit too high. Finally, a plugin that fit my time zone. But I feel like the proximity by default, it can be kind of high. Like, as soon as you hear a monster outside of your like, home in Minecraft, you pretty much can't sleep. So it would be kind of nice to like customize that. Can you sleep in the void using this? Good question. I mean, sleep in any dimension. You mean like below 0? You want to know if we can sleep below 0? I mean, I assume it's available for 1.21.7. I assume we can just sleep in the nether using this. Right. Which is cool. That would be cool. Let's do a quick little reboot. There we go. Because I never played Minecraft before. I have very, 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 very little knowledge when it comes to the base game. I love modding. I love plugins. I love setting up servers. I love yapping about Minecraft. But when it comes to vanilla Minecraft mechanics, don't ask me anything, please. I'm more interested in the modding side of the game. I barely play survival. And because I barely play survival, I know very little about anything. There we go. And then we get some flinch. And then we build a little nether portal. Move. Oh no, I hit the small kitten! How dare I? It was pure instinct. I should not have done that. I should not have done that. How about mint game mechanics? Mint game mechanics? What do you mean? Bet. Pink bet. That feels illegal. Fix stream. What do you mean fix stream? Oh. I keep forgetting it. I'm not used to having to switch screens. This feels illegal. This feels like something which should not be allowed. Hello. It does feel illegal. We don't see anything. Yeah, I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting to switch my screens. I'm not used to having to do that. Usually it's just sharing Minecraft and that's it. But okay. Interesting. Can I... Oh, monster nearby cannot set spawn. Can you move, please? Damn, you're aggressive. You're aggressive, man. Okay, well... They just killed him. Let's place a bed here. Oh, now I can sleep. Now I can sleep. What is that? Fruit Forge. Fruit Forge. What is Fruit Forge? What are you... What? What? What is Fruit Forge? Is it the previous name of the plugin? But even if it would be the previous name of the plugin, why would you name a sleeping plugin Fruit Forge? iSleep probably got some code from there, I guess. Oh no. They just stole code from another plugin. Seems like a library to me. Could be, I guess. Fruit Forge, that's so weird. It's such a random name. Okay, well, I mean, that works. Can we sleep in the void? Someone asked. Worth a try. They said you can sleep anywhere, anytime. Okay? The void is a place that exists. Ah, there we go. Beautiful. Okay, I can't place anything. That is a problem already. So yeah, we can definitely sleep here. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed they do not allow me to place a bed here. Which they should. They should allow me to do that. Because they said anywhere. Oh! Close enough. Close enough. Fruit Forge. Oh. This is so cursed. Where am I even? Ah, there we go. My bed. Right above the beautiful void. Fruit Forge is the name of the studio that made it. Ah. Why would they include their studio name then? I don't know. I hope you can change that somewhere. But okay, cool. You can't do that. You can't sleep everywhere. But you can at least sleep in a lot of places. And that's worth something, I guess. That is worth something. Very cool. I guess this could be a nice plugin. I don't know. It could also ruin stuff. Like a lot of people like to PvP and they like to use beds in the nether and in the end. So, while it might be cool, it also ruins the game maybe for some people. I guess it really depends on the type of server you have going on. If you are not PvP focused whatsoever, I guess you could do this and then you can sleep everywhere. But if you implement a good sleeping system where, for example, only players in the overworlds need to sleep, or where maybe only 25% of the people need to sleep, then I guess you won't really need this anymore. And I think that those systems would be superior. I definitely think if you could implement a system where, you know, only 25 people have, or 25% or maybe 33% of people have to sleep. Or where maybe only people in the overworld have to sleep. I think that would be better. You can have a game rule for that. I know you have a game rule for that. That's why I'm like, I don't know how useful this plugin would be. Like, you can set a sleep percentage already. And who wants chaos? Oh, believe me. This is the Minecraft community we're talking about. Everyone wants chaos. I don't think there's a game rule to make it so only people in the overworld have to sleep. Right? I don't think that's a game rule. The sleep percentage is. But are plugins chosen in the order they were submitted? Nope. I'm just randomly scrolling around the channel and choosing a few. Aren't game rules per world? Are they? I've never really understood this. Because I thought that, for a while, I thought that game rules were per world, but I've also played on the server once where they were not. And now it kind of confuses me if they are or not. They are on servers? Okay, interesting. But then they are not on single player? Is it like just on servers? In vanilla they're not? Ah, that's the confusion. Aha. So in vanilla Minecraft in single player, because you have one world and everything is stored in one world file, game rules are like worlds, are server wide across all of your different worlds. But on something like Bucket, it is per world. Okay, that explains my confusion, yes. Interesting. Yeah, well, in that case, you could probably make it so that nobody has to sleep, maybe in the nether and in the end. And like a certain percentage. Say, give me $500. You want me to say, give me $500. Okay. Give me $500. There we go. Are you happy now? Are you happy that I said that? All right. Let's see what else we got in the channel. Oh, we have so many suggestions. I feel bad. Say yes. I said it. Give me $500. There we go. Let's see. What else do we have? Gemini Craft. What? What is Gemini Craft? Yo, thank you so much, Glorping, for the 5 gifted subs. Yo, man, I appreciate it. Thank you for the 5 gifted. That is amazing. That is so very, very kind of you. That is awesome. I see Gemini Craft. I'm like, what? Because, like, Gemini is an AI bot. Right, so what is Gemini Craft? It requires a Gemini API key. Okay, well, in that case, I will not install it. I do want to have a look at the Spigot page, though. Gemini Craft. Does it just allow you to use Gemini inside of Minecraft? Is that what it does? Thank you so much again for the gifted, man. I really appreciate it. Glorping. Thank you so much for the awesome support. I do really, really appreciate it. I also tossed a plugin in the submit channel. It's called Vane. Or Van. Vane? Vane? Vane. It's tons of vanilla-ish additions. Ooh, I will have a look in a bit. Thanks so much, man. Thank you for the 5 gifted. That's really appreciated. Okay. Review my server on stream. Review your server on stream. This is not a server submission live stream, so I will not be checking out any servers on stream right now. As soon as another one of those events is happening, I will notify you on Discord. And then I might potentially cover it. But this is a plugin test stream, but not a server one. But if you're on my Discord, you will get notified for that. You will get notified for that. You will just get pinged, and then you can submit your server over there, and it should be a lot of fun. So make sure you're there in one of those upcoming streams, and yeah, you should be good. So Gemini Craft is an experimental plugin to test the integration of Gemini into Minecraft. So use /Gemini or /G to communicate with the AI and have it perform tasks for Minecraft servers. For the Minecraft server. Oh, so Gemini will hook into Minecraft. If you like the concept, I will work on it further and maintain it. If you like the concept, I will work further on it and maintain it. If you like it, I might potentially do this. You'll need a Gemini API key to use Gemini. Yeah, I know, and I don't have any of those keys available currently, so I'm not able to test this out right now. But that is for sure an interesting project. I've seen it a few times where people try to kind of blend AI into Minecraft, where you can ask AI something and then, or you can ask AI something inside of Minecraft, like, hey, can you do this for me in the game? And then it will actually do that for you in the game. I don't know how well that would work, but I have $20 for advertising my Minecraft server. Where can I advertise it? I don't have any way to advertise a Minecraft server on my YouTube channel currently. I don't do any paid server videos. I've also never done that. The only times I really join Minecraft servers is during those live streams, when I just check out a bunch of different servers at once. I don't really make dedicated videos about just a singular Minecraft server or anything like that. That is something I've been thinking about maybe doing sometime in the future on a second channel, because there are a lot of people that would like me to check out their Minecraft server, though I can't really do that in video form on this channel. So there might be something I will introduce someday on another channel, but not here. Want to partner with my Minecraft server? Nope. Sorry, man. We are currently working on a server of our own, so it would be very confusing if I would partner with a Minecraft server right now, while we're literally about to release one ourselves in like a month or 2 month time. So, but definitely suggest it as soon as I do another one of those streams. And yeah, that. Let's see. What else do we have? What other plugins do we have to check out? Oh, this one is actually from Omar. Omar, man. Yeah, you're the same guy who made World Chatter. How you doing, Omar? That's cool. Omar made Gemini Craft. Interesting, interesting. I didn't know. Cool stuff, man. Cool stuff. We, of course, know Omar. We know him. We love him. We've seen his plugins before. Art Sign, yo, what's up, man? How you doing? Cool stuff, cool stuff. Okay, let's check out a few more. Let's see what else we got. A few more plugins. Oh, Runway. I've heard a lot about Runway. Haven't I seen this one a while back? Why do I know Runway? Why have I heard about this plugin? Mini message formatting and custom placeholders for a message. Why haven't I seen this one? Have you suggested it before on my Discord? Have you suggested it in my suggestions channel? I think so. I recognize it. Runway allows you to... I did. Ah, that's where I know it from then. Runway allows you to support mini message formatting in messages, menus, titles, items, tab lists from any plugin. The plugin works on the protocol level and modifies incoming packets sent by plugins. That is really cool. That is really awesome. If enabled, placeholder API / mini placeholders. Mini placeholders? Mini placeholders. Okay. It's also supported. That's cool. That is cool. So you basically no longer have to question if something supports the mini message format. Everything will just support it if you install this plugin. So you could use the tab plugin, for example, which I don't know if tab supports mini message by default, but with this plugin installed, it will. Does tab support mini message by default? Does it? I'm not really sure. I think it does. I'm not sure. Tab list formatting. Prefix. It does, yeah? I forgot. Per world player list, API. Oh, it's a picture. Oh, I can't search. Ness hates everything. It doesn't? No, I don't think it does either. I think, because I am pretty sure I had to install tab on the Minecraft server a while back. For no particular reason. I don't know why I needed to do it. But I had to install it. And then I was so surprised that I wasn't able to get mini message stuff working. Or maybe it was a showcase of something mini message related. Actually, I made a video about mini message on the channel. I'm pretty sure that is what I did. I made a video on the channel about the mini message format and how to use it. And in that video, I think I wanted to use tab to showcase it. But to my surprise, I couldn't get it working. I've seen it having problems with mini message before. I'm pretty sure it does. Everyone says it does, but it's not like I'm able to find it here. Like, it doesn't state anywhere that it does. Does it? Or maybe I'm just blind. Could very well be. I'm blind too. But 99% sure. Someone test this out. It just doesn't. I think it doesn't, man. I don't think it supports mini message. It supports a lot of different things. But I don't think mini message is one of them. And when I was doing the mini message video on my channel, I was not able to get mini message stuff working on like the tab list of tab. I'm currently using tab with mini message. Okay, so it does support it. What a confusing mess. But why doesn't it note it anywhere here? Why, like, mini message support is a pretty cool feature. Why would you not put it on your page? It's in their FAQ. Oh, they have an FAQ. Like on the wiki? Additional information. No, okay, maybe it does support it then. Oh, FAQ. Mini message supported. Kind of. Okay, there we got an answer. Kind of. Mini message supports it included. However, it doesn't mean it is guaranteed to work. Mini message library must be included in your server software. Tab does not include this library. Yeah, so on servers like paper servers, for example, it is included in paper 1.18.2 and higher. Velocity and sponge is not included in Spigot. Okay, so you can use it if you are using a paper server, but if you're using like Fabric or Forge or NeoForge, then not. Interesting. I knew it wasn't so, yeah. Because for some reason, I don't know why. Because I think I was just using a paper server, so there's no reason why it shouldn't work. But okay, kind of. It is kind of supported. But it does not include the library itself. So it only works if you're actually playing on a server that does support it. Interesting. Interesting. Hello, what's up? Smart Mining. Thank you for tuning in. Are you planning on making a live stream when the Ether update comes out on Origin Realms? I have no clue. I don't know what type. I'm gonna be really honest, Jamma player. I've not been very active in the Origin Realms community at all as of late. You might have noticed. So, I don't know if there would be that much interesting content added to the new update. If there is enough new content, I might do a live stream on it, yeah. And then I think that will be very, very fun and entertaining. Because that's the main thing I was, you know, I was basically facing, was that I just did not have a lot of stuff to do anymore on Origin Realms, which is kind of why I stopped playing a lot. But yeah, if there is a lot of stuff added with the new updates, then I might do a live stream on it. But that's interesting. Okay, we were not looking at this at all. We were actually looking at Runway. So this plugin basically makes it so that mini message is supported everywhere. Just wherever, whatever plugin, you install this and you can use it everywhere. And also in messages. So if you have Runway installed, you can also use mini message in just your regular chat then, right? I'm pretty sure. So it's just like in normal, the normal text messages, you could also use the mini message format. And that's pretty cool. But that's awesome then. I could use Essentials chat for messages and have support with that. That's neat. Yeah, exactly. That should, in theory, then be possible, indeed. Glorping. I'm pretty sure that should be possible. So that's cool. That's really cool. Runway. Good plugin. I've heard about it before. Very cool stuff. I should definitely check it out. Maybe make a video about it someday. Though I will probably forget, but I should. I should make a video about it. Cool stuff. No, for real. GG. GG on that. Let's see. What else do we have? What else do we have? For how long have I been streaming? 2.5 hours. Let's go for a little bit more. But I'm not gonna cover... Let's do 2 more plugins. Let's cover 2 more plugins. Oh yeah, Vane. What is Vane about? Vane. Vane. Ah, here's something which is Vane. Vane. Let's see what Vane is about. Ooh, we're going to Hangar. Look at that, Vane. Immersive and lore-friendly enhancements for vanilla Minecraft. Why does it... What? External downloads are not under our control and may not be safe. Okay. Vane. Vane is a plugin suitable... It's a plugin suite. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, no. We're good. Vane is a plugin suite which provides many immersive and lore-friendly additions to vanilla Minecraft. It will run on any MC-based Minecraft server. Alright. For a comprehensive feature overview, visit our official website. They have a website? Cool. Lore-friendly and properly integrated immersive features. So what kind of features does it? Gallery and Modrinf. Ooh. So these are things it adds. It adds a pouch then, I think. I have Geyser installed on my SMP. And the chat in Bedrock is not working. Yeah. That's a pretty common issue, I think. I believe. Because do you want me to make a server with Gemini Craft? I will use my API key. I mean, you can. If you want to test it out and if you just want to see if it works and if there's anything fun to show with that plugin, then yeah, you totally can. You totally can. And the sickle. Wait, I've seen this plugin before. Have I not? So this is kind of like vanilla tweaks. Wait, we have seen Vane before. There's a vague memory that's coming back to me about us looking at a Vane plugin. Have we seen this one? I'm pretty sure you checked it out in the previous stream. Yeah, I think so too. This feels very familiar. And like the double door opening like that. And then the backpack. Interesting. Yeah, we checked this out before. I'm pretty sure. You're just sneaking in your plugin again. Double advertisement. Hello, I have $60 and I'm asking to know if with this you can make a live of 3 hours, 1 video and 1 short of my server. No, sorry, Smart Mining, unfortunately not. Yo, Arsene, thank you for becoming a member, man. First of all, I do not do any live streams or any videos or any shorts about any Minecraft servers. That's just not the type of content I make. Like, I do play on Minecraft servers every once in a while, but that's like during one simple live stream where I'll just join a whole bunch of servers. But like dedicated promotion for a Minecraft server in like sponsored is not something I've ever done on this channel. And I also don't think that's something I'm ever gonna do on this channel. I might do something like that on the second channel at some point, because I know there are a lot of people who would like to sponsor like a video where I check out some Minecraft servers, or where I check out their Minecraft server and kind of just like sponsor it. So it might be something I'll do sometime in the future, but currently it's not something I do. Thank you, Art Sign. Sorry that I left. No worries, man. No worries. That is understandable. That is totally understandable. But I'm glad you're back, man. I'm glad you're back. Thank you so much for becoming a member again. But yeah, we checked out this plugin before. We know this. We've seen this. You're sneaky. You're a sneaky bastard who's just... No, it's a good plugin. I'm just joking. It is a really good plugin. But we did have a look at this one before. We had a look at this plugin before in a previous stream. It is really good though. It is really good. From what I've seen, it's really, really good. I think we even installed it last time, though I'm not 100% sure on that. But yeah, GG on Vane. Vane is cool. Vane is cool. Last time we checked it out, it was awesome. Oh, what is this? I saw you edit that message. Dan, I saw you edit that. I actually want to have a look just because I'm curious. Plugin Manager. So what is Plugin Manager about? Plugin Manager... making 2 years. So what does it do? This is a plugin I've been making for 2+ years now. And I wanted to post it here to get opinions from others. Okay, plugins based on server security. What does it protect you against plugin threats and general server threats like malware? This plugin isn't a miracle plugin. Okay, so what does it do? What does it actually do? Does you load and disable or unload or reload plugins, I imagine. That is what you would think. You would think it allows you to manage your plugins because it is called Plugin Manager. But if I read this description, it doesn't sound like that at all. It sounds like it is more of a Minecraft anti-cheat or antivirus. It sounds like an antivirus plugin, which is like meant to, yeah, to be an antivirus. It protects you against general threats like malicious codes. But I would, okay, so cool concept. Cool concept. I would change the name. I mean, it is called server security. Or it's called, its description is server security. It is clearly an anti-cheat or an I keep saying anti-cheat. An anti-virus or like anti-malware plugin for Minecraft, which if it actually works, and I'm not the right person to test that. Because, so it's like a .jar antivirus. Supposedly, I don't know if that would work. I'm not that knowledgeable about plugins and antiviruses and what would be possible. And if this is even something which is remotely possible, I do not know. There's probably someone else who does have that knowledge and who can check it out. I would change the name. That is something I can just immediately say. Like, maybe make it plugin security or, you know, something along those lines. Something which screams security or plugin antivirus. Yeah, I don't know. What would be a fun name? What would be a fun name for an antivirus plugin? Okay, let's see. What else do we have? We have so many plugins and there's so many. How many plugins were suggested in total? Let me just scroll up. Mark unread 70 different submissions. That is a lot. That is like a lot. That's crazy, man. Yeah, so we should definitely do something like this again in the future because it's fun. It's very fun to check out all of these different plugins. What is Light Warp? Let's see. Light Warp. Celebrating our 11th birthday with our biggest ever sale. Okay. Beep. Light Warp is a no nonsense. Oh, no nonsense. Okay. It's a no nonsense warp plugin that lets players teleport instantly with /warp. Okay. Is it free? Log in to download. Why? Why do I need to make an account to download something? Why do we need to do that? Cough, cough, Essentials X. We're not gonna check out Essentials X during this live stream. But okay, that's interesting. So Light Warp. I don't like... What do you guys think about Build by Bit? I kind of like the concept, but some things just don't make sense. For some reason. Why do I need to log in before I can download something? Why do I need to make an account? Like, I have an account. I'm not logged in with my account currently. Build by Bit is awesome. I make money on it. Yeah, that is why you think it is awesome. Because you make money on it. Great source of data for my dump fork name generator. Yeah, it's good for payment. I think that is the main thing. What it's even good for. Exactly that. I think that is exactly what it is good for indeed. It is good for payments. I'm getting so many messages on my phone. What is this about? Payments, that is really what it's all about. If you want to sell your plugin, then I guess Build by Bit is the place to go. But other than that, I don't know. But hey, this I guess it sounds cool. Light Warp. It's just a simple warp system. It's just a very simple plugin, which is great. If you don't want anything crazy outside of that. To be fair, plugins like these are usually included already in like core plugins. But, you know, you should do a video checking out Build by Bit. I mean, I could. But what would I send out on Build by Bit though? Just random projects? Oh, you have a Gemini server set up. Okay, well, let's check that out. Does it work actually? Like, is there anything cool to check out inside of this server, Don Planto? Hello. So how do I use it? Tell me. How do we use this? How do we use this plugin? Can you showcase it to me? Is there anything you can show? Because I'm kind of curious now. So apparently we have the Gemini plugin installed now. Don Planto. And can it do anything Minecraft related? Oh wait, yeah. Can it do anything Minecraft related? So what could I even input here? What kind of things can it do? Hi there. How can I assist you today? Can you build? Can it actually build blocks? Yeah. Give me diamonds. Oh. Give me more. Ah. Okay. Give me 10. Oh. Oh. Did I break it? No. Okay. That still works. For some reason 10,000 didn't work. I don't know why that didn't. Okay. Can it build me a house? Gemini, can you... What? Why? That was... Why did the AI kill me? AI is becoming hostile already. Gemini kill Casazura. That's crazy. Build me a house. No. Those are diamonds. That is not what I meant. You just give me resources for the house? That's not what I meant. It just gives me a door, some glass. No. No. You have to build it. Giving me a pickaxe doesn't solve anything. I want you to build... No, I don't want the blocks. I want you to actually place it in the world. Oh. It is doing something. Wait. It's placing something. Where did it place it though? There. Yes, it built a house. There's no shot. Here it is. Wow. My AI generated house. But there are some gaps in the walls. Can you fix the gaps in the walls? Not really. No, that is the ground. Can you fill the walls up? Could you please provide the coordinates? You placed it! Okay. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. Okay. Gemini. Can you place a Minecraft house made out of wood for me around the coordinates? I've mistyped that, I think. Go nuts. Please. Is it working? Doesn't seem to be very context aware. It's Gemini we're talking about. I cannot directly place prefabricated house structures. You just did! You just... What? Did you place this, Don Planto? Did you do this? I can't place prefabricated house. You just did. You've done many times. What do you mean? What is that? Random block. You did. Don Planto did do this, right? AI place this? Why did it place a deep slate cube? Oh, what is even going on? What is it? Slash Gemini, can you build me a house? Oh no, what is it doing now? Okay, you did that. You did that. That is just you. I don't like AI. I don't like it either. What is it doing? Is there anything inside? It's supposed to be a house. There is nothing inside. It is just a block. It's just a random floating block. Gemini, build me a big wooden house inside of... Build me a big wooden house. There you go. What dimension would you like the house to be in? Oh. What dimensions? Oh, please specify the length. 20x20x20. Yes. Oh. Is this the house you made for me? That's not what I wanted. That is just a solid block of wood. I want a house I can live in. Don't ignore me now. Give it a more specific prompt. No. It should just catch on. That is just a block of wood. That is... I'm sending it again. Give me a response. Oh, no. Wait, where did it change blocks? That is here. Is it not? Yeah, that's here. What did you do? Did you make a house? Ow. Did you make a house in here? It is still a solid block. Probably a minute. I thought so, yeah. That's what I thought. Maybe it's in the middle of the block. It is literally not. There is nothing. What do you mean? I don't like AI. Go ask AI like ChatGPT how to do it. Oh, that's what I made, by the way. And this is also... No, okay. Oh, hope you're enjoying your time with AI. Yeah, I love it. Would you like to make a plugin or video about an AI plugin generator? Maybe. I've been in... if it is good. If it is good. If the AI of if the plugin generator only generates like just awful plugins, then no. But if it will actually generate plugins that are like usable, and they do what you've like asked for, then maybe. I've been in contact with someone who is making something like that. You can make all sorts of it. I just got a friend who released one. What's it called? I'm curious. Gleep. No, not heard about that. Because this is taking too long. Well, it's not like I'm gonna check out a lot more plugins though. I might do one more and then, yeah, let's make it the last one. I've been live for almost 3 hours. Let's do one more and then I will be ending stream. And we will do something like this again because it's a lot of fun. It definitely is a lot of fun. I've had a really, really good time today. So we should repeat this more often. It's so fun to just find new plugins. It is so fun to just find new ones. Let's see. Which one are we gonna do? Which one should the last one be? We should do this more often. This is gonna be really fun. Oh, Craft Engine. Wait, Random Chat also sends Craft Engine. That's so interesting. What do we got here? There's so many different plugins. Also a bunch I've just never heard about. Which is so exciting because I would love to just check them all out. I can't in one stream, but... like, so many of them look so exciting. Let's see. You just checked a whole bunch. You have trouble. Purper Extra. Not just nameplates. What are your plugins about? Are those all yours? And then we have Q Banhammers. Also sounds interesting. Okay, let's check a few out. I'm not gonna install them. I'm just gonna check out their Spigot pages. There we go. Okay, so this is No, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Please go to the actual page. Thank you, Q-Ban Hammers. And then I will be checking out some of You Have Troubles plugins, and then I'll be calling it a day. So, okay, what is this one about? Q-Ban Hammers. Adds hammers that can be used to punish players and more. Okay, so will you like actually get a physical hammer in your hands that you can then use? It's just a picture of the config. You know, you can also just add the config to the page. It doesn't have to be a picture. You can just like embed it in a way. You can actually have a hammer. I don't know. Don't take my word for it. I really have no clue. Oh yeah, they do. Look at the hammer. Look at the hammer. No way. Oh, so your ban hammer can actually be a hammer? Is he gonna ban the mod? Get him. That is fun. That's actually fun. Oh, that is actually fun. Okay. No, it actually gives you that. Is the texture also included? Like, does it come with this, with that texture? Oh, there's no gallery. That is so fun. For example, hammers. No, that's a problem. I didn't make one yet. Oh, you should, man. You should definitely include a hammer. If you included a hammer texture, people would love that. People would love that so much. If you can just install the plugin and then there will be a hammer texture along with it. Yeah, that's cool. That's very cool. I like that a lot. The model screaming MCC Island. A bit, yeah. I do agree. Yeah, make a hammer texture. We would love that. Oh, he's excited. Well, there's your #1 fan. Monsieur Melon. Do it, man. That would actually be really cool. It would actually be really cool. And now, let's see whatever You Have Trouble has sent me. That's again not what I wanted. That is. I wanted a lot of things. This is not one of them. There we go. Not just nameplates. Not just nameplates is a purple plugin. A purple? Is it specifically a purple plugin? Does it only work on purple? Is it even a thing? Do you have purple exclusive plugins? It allows you to customize the nameplates of players. Interesting. Oh, like that. Yo, that's cool. Oh, you can have it. You can make it have like an RGB effect. That is really, really cool. But how does it only work on purple then? So it doesn't work on paper even. It's like a purple exclusive plugin. Interesting. That is interesting. That is so cool though. Like being able to actually customize it this way. That's really awesome. That's really awesome. Well done, man. I'm just gonna check you out this way. Let's see, which other plugins did you send? There we go. This one you also sent. Enchantio? Enchantio? Yeah, I think so. Vanilla-friendly custom enchantments for paper servers. Oh, so this one is for paper. You can't make up your mind, can you? Modern vanilla-style Minecraft enchantment plugin for paper servers. All enchantments are registered as proper enchantments. Fully work with the vanilla enchantment system. And the vanilla enchantment command. Oh, that is cool. So like pure vanilla integration. Like full on vanilla integration. That is cool, man. That is really awesome. You can't find the band plugin. Here it is. But okay, interesting. So that is also pretty cool. And then you also sent me Prevent Stabby. What? Prevent stabby. Prevent stabby. Use issues selection to report bugs and submit suggestions. Oh, toggle PvP plugin that protects pets, mounts, and more. Oh, that is solid. So it protects way more than just you if PvP is disabled. Per player PvP toggle, global. Oh, so some players can just opt out. They can just be like, nope, I don't want to participate in this mess. I'm gonna do my own thing, and then you can. Global PvP override, allowing to ignore personal toggles temporarily, yeah. Block all forms of player, induce damage. Block damage done to pets and mounts. Damn, that's nice. That's really nice. So you don't have to be scared that your dogs get killed. If PvP is off, they cannot even fight your dogs. Or kill your dogs. Channeling tridents. Block fishing pole. Pets do not attack players with PvP off. Pets do not attack players with PvP off. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, so the biggest problem with plugins that disable PvP is always that people will find loopholes. That is what the most annoying thing is about it all. Because even though PvP is enabled, something you can still do is place a bed next to someone in the nether. And then they will still die. Or pour lava over them, for example. And then they are still, you know, they'll still get hit, which sucks. That's something that happens often. And I don't really think there's any way to bypass that. I don't really think there's any way to... There's a feature for that too, is there? So you can make it so if lava is placed by another person, it will not impact you. It's radius based. Ah, so it is bypassable. Interesting. But it helps. Okay, that's solid. That's solid. That's actually a pretty cool plugin then. And yeah, okay, that's nice. I like that. That's a very good way of, that's a very solid way of doing it, I think. Huh. Nice, you should get more downloads. I mean, yeah, I know that Purple Extra has a bunch of downloads, but I think I've watched over it before. It's just like, it's just temporary. What do you mean? Purple MC, your Minecraft your way. Oh my, why do you have so many resources? Because I would love to see this week or this month hitting 100k. I mean, if we're gonna continue to grow like we're growing right now, we will hit it this month. Probably not this week, but maybe next week. We will see. It's gonna be awesome anyway. Before Modrinf heads organizations. Oh, really? Interesting. Purple pack. So are these even plugins? Or is this more like a... Will this implement certain paper or certain purple features into like regular non... Or yeah. Will this implement purple features into regular non-purple servers? Or is it just like a data pack you can install on purple and then... Is data pack just bundled with mods too? Ah. Okay, interesting, interesting. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, cool. Hey, we're done for today. We're done for today, guys. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. We checked out a bunch of different plugins today. Not as much as I hoped we would be able to check out. Just because today's stream was crazy and we got so many donations. If everyone who has donated is still watching, thank you so much. Like, actually, thank you so extremely much for the insane support. I don't think we've ever received so many donations during any live stream ever in the history of this channel. I'm not sure, because I don't know how the currencies convert, but this was insane. Thank you so much for the support. It really, really means the world. It actually does. Thank you so much for watching as well. We still were able to check out a bunch of different plugins, and it was very, very fun to do so. We should definitely do something like this again very, very soon. I will be deleting the submit channel on Discord, so that everything is just clean again. But it does mean that next time we do one of these live streams, I'll just open up a channel again and you can submit your server again. And yeah, it should be very, very fun. Yo, thank you for the £2. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. Have an amazing rest of your day, evening, morning, whatever time it may be for you. And yeah, then I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. See you later. Bye bye. See you. Bye. Have a good one. Bye bye.